custody. This appellant is in custody near about 9 years from 21B of the NDPS Act, my lord.
Good reject could feel.
Yes, my lord, your lordship was.
Fresh admission, tied up matter.
But item 10, my lord, to the list, my lord. Committed to it as a trial already concluded, my lord. I had applied for a
Just a minute. File the memo.
my lord.
Item number 10.
10. I had applied for
That is
on 22.
BLAPL number 864 of
My
2022.
lord. I had applied there in interim bill of 2023. In the meantime, I have instructed a trial complete.
So you want to not press this
My lord, my lord.
IA 1185 of 23 not press. Yes, next.
Pardon to mention, my lord. Item number 107. Item number 107. Not press, my lord.
Hundred seven. That is CRLM number 46 of 2020.
My-
Pardon to mention, my lord, IA number 170 of 2024, arising out of JCRLA 19/2022. Co-accused released on my tied off matter.
Yeah.
Item number 54.
Item 75, I given the number, my lord.
Also list it launch for it.
My lord, item number 54. My lord, item number 54.
Mr. 54 add for them. It has been added in that list. After launch, it will be solved.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 97. 97 maybe.
Add कर दो ना दी अरे मत वही बार कौन होती Yes. Call.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
My lord, I am on VC, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this item kindly taken up one with the actor because I am on out of station, my lord. File is not with me.
You approve this court for anticipatory bail, and on 23/5/2024, the
Yes, my
bail
lord.
application was disposed of, and you are directed to liberty was granted to surrender and move for bail within 4 weeks, and it is to be
Yes, my
disposed
lord.
of. Case diary to be made available. It's a POCSO Act case, and nude photographs of that girl was taken, and it was made viral. That is the allegation against you. So you have not complied. Why have you once again filed this anticipatory bail?
Look, at this time, petitioner is not available. He was working as a labor, my lord.
No, it's all right. You could have filed an application for extension of the date of surrender. If you want,
Yes, ma'am.
file an interim application there. If you want to, during that time period, he could not able to surrender because he was outside, whatever it may be. So why the press anticipatory bail? You file an interim application. I'm disposing of. Look, ABL 19 of 2024. Mr. So-and-so to virtual mode. It appears that the petitioner earlier approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABL number 5197 of 2024, which was disposed of on 23/5/2024, giving liberty to the petitioner to surrender before the court below, before the trial court, and move for bail. Without complying that order, the petitioner has again filed this application without any change in the circumstances. The London Counsel for the petitioner submits that since within the time stipulated in the earlier anticipatory bail application, the petitioner could not surrender before the trial court. That is the reason why this fresh anticipatory bail application has been filed. The petitioner is at liberty to file an interim application to extend the date of surrender in the earlier bail application. Accordingly, this anticipatory bail application is disposed of. Yes, next.
Item number 2.
Private Resolers. The petitioner is in custody since 5/2/2019 under section 302/201 for 58, 398 and 34 of IPC.
You earlier approved this code.
No, my lord.
Then why it has come to me?
My
It's a
lord,
title matter.
co-accused is released on bail,
Oh, I see.
my lord, on Annex 2, my lord, on same footing. BLAPL number
No.
3959 of 24.
Base matter there to this. Listen, the Learning Council for the state seek some time to obtain the case diary as well as instruction regarding the criminal antecedent if any, against the petitioner.
Annex 2.
Status report be called for from the Learning Trial Court. Usual order file be placed before the registry. It is submitted by the Learning Council for the petitioner that one co-accused, namely Uma Sethi, has been directed to be released on bail, and the bail order has been annexed to the bail application as annexure 2. Let the Learning Council for the state examine the case record relating to claim of parity of the petitioner with the co-accused who has been enlarged on bail. Put up this matter. Gote saptah pare anuchi matter to be listed on 20th September. All right, 20th September. Oh, blessed.
Item 3.
My lord, item 3, I am appearing for the informant. Just now I have received the copy. Your lordship may keep it to some other.
Case diary achi?
No.
Get case diary.
Senior putting 40% already released on bail by your
No, my lord. He stands on a different footing also.
Se case diary ta anile verify karibe na same footing. Tamu bail order ta diyantu. Informant council ko madhya diyantu
Not
CP
exam.
exam. Learning Council for the petitioner supplied the copy of the bail application on the Learning Council for the informant. Learning Council for the state submits that he is yet to receive the case diary and also instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. The Learning Council for the petitioner submits that some of the co-accused or one co-accused has been released on bail. Let the Learning Council for the state verify the case records relating to claim of parity. Status report we called for from so and so forth. Registered Judicial Service for 20th September 2024.
I have a small prayer, my lord. My lord, like that, my lord, I have wrongly typed to 21 in ST case number instead of 23, my lord. I have also filed one corrected copy, my lord. Your lordship kindly.
This is ST case number 57A of 2023. Hello. ST 57A of 2023. अच्छा fine correct report region.
My flag D
Flag B रे. देखिए कौन नया flag B तो नहीं corrected question अच्छा. Flag. Learning Council for the ऊपर लिख दो has filed a corrected petition wherein it is indicated that the ST case number is so and so.
In cost title para 1 and 4.
All right, no. The cost titles also para 1 and para 4. Prayer लिखने हैं. Okay. पूरी तरीके से.
Yes.
Item 4.
May it lordship, my lord. My lord, petition based on constitution 13/5/2022, my lord. My lord, kindly see Annex 2, my lord, page number 15.
आगुरु reject ହେଇଥିଲା.
My lord. Annex 2, page number 15, my lord.
आगु order टा देखिए 20B2C case टा.
My lord.
अच्छा. Commercial quantity of ganja 100 section so on so. not enter and give liberty to the petitioner to renew the prayer for if trial is not concluded within the hours.
My lord.
So what is the status of the trial now?
Status report, my lord, kindly see page number 18. In the meantime, my lord, 9 witness examined, my lord.
18.
My lord. Rejection order, my lord.
Code lekha hai
My lord, second para, 7 number line.
In the meantime, 9 witnesses have been here. 5 more expected to be in.
My lord. My rejection, ଯେତେବେଳେ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଥିଲା ତମର 5ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇଥିଲେ। 1/2/2024 ରେ 5ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇଥିଲେ।
ହଉ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ କେସ୍ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ, କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ। Learning counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary, so also the criminal antecedent, if any, against the so and so matter to be listed on 20th of September 2024. Status report be followed. Yes.
Item 5.
Also the deposition copies matter. Deposition copies of
deposition copies of the 9 witnesses examined in the London trial could be served on the London counsel for discretion in time.
May I please your lordship? Petitioner is in custody since 19/1/2020 for the commission of offence under section 20.
Agura astile.
My lord.
Which number case?
My lord, earlier the petitioner approached 3 times.
Last time to where?
I-176/2023.
3 ମାସ ବେଲ ଯାଇଥିଲେ।
My lord.
ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲେ।
My lord.
ଆଉ କିଛି ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି?
No, my lord.
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ। London counsel for the state petitioner submits that last time the petitioners approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 5176 of 2023 and as per order dated 10/11/2023 he was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months and after availing the same surrendered at right time. That the Land Council for the state obtain instruction from the concerned IAC. It is STF Bhubaneswar PS,
STF Bhubaneswar.
STF also regarding the conduct of the petitioner during the period of interim bail and also status report we call for 48/9/2024. Yes.
Item 6.
May I please, my lord? My lord, in this bail application, earlier lordship has disposed of.
Yes, press bail application.
My lord, in respect of the co-accused persons, lordship has disposed of the bail application.
Petitioner ଆସିନଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ?
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲା।
କେତେ number?
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା। I have given the certificate.
No, where is the order copy?
Order copy.
You have mentioned your BLAPL number?
Yes, in certificate I have mentioned.
What is the number?
10745 of 22.
ତାକୁ annex କରିନାହାନ୍ତି?
Bail order ଟା annex କରିନି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, କଣ order ହେଇଥିଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା direction ହେଇଥିଲା not at this stage ହେଇଥିଲା।
କପିଟା ବାହାର କଲ।
ଏଟା ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଅଛି ର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
10745 of 22. 45. আচ্ছা করে দিও। না এটা করে দিতে পারবো। Already accused statement was over.
So,
the similar order may be passed. The co-accused lordship has disposed of the fellow.
এটা 2/8/2024 ରେ ହେଇଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এটা କଣ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ମାନେ ତାର
same case in respect to other co-accused person.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the accused statement has already been
Yes,
recorded.
yes.
And one of the co-accused, namely Sushant Kumar Dharsamant, alias Sushant, and another approached this court for bail in connection with this case in BLAPL number 3691 of 2024. And as per order dated 2/8/2024, while not inclining to release them on bail, this court, taking into account their judicial custody, directed the London trial court to conclude the trial within a period of 3 months from the date of recording of the accused statement. And if the petitioners and if the said accused persons intend to adduce any defense witness, then within 3 months from the date of conclusion of such evidence. The petitioner is stated to be in judicial custody since
26/2/2016.
22
26/2/2016.
BC2
ଆଜ୍ଞା
2026
ଆଜ୍ଞା 16
ଓ 2016 in view of the order passed in respect of the co-accused persons, the learned no further order is necessary, and the petitioner can adduce the defense evidence if he likes, and the learned trial shall make every endeavor to dispose of the trial within 3 months from the date of conclusion of the defense evidence disposed of.
Obliged.
Item 7.
Then, my lord, I have filed an additional affidavit to furnish property surety, and your lordship directed, on the last occasion, your lordship directed the state council to take instruction.
Council submit that even though so and so, some documents along with an additional charge on the ground to obtain instruction regarding genuineness, authenticity of the valuation of the property, since it was a joint family property. Now the petitioner is producing the documents in respect of property standing in the name of the father of the surety, namely Shrikant Jena, who is now to stand as a surety for the petition. Additional affidavit, relevant document are taken on record. Each of these are being furnished to so and so, which is sometime corner and the lens. Even Pranam to what yard said, Pranam. What would you need? ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ କଣ ଲେଖା କୋଉଠୁ ଧରିକି ନେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ମନା କରିଦେଲା କହିଲା ମୁଁ ତା ପାଇଁ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ହେବିନି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟକୁ ଆସୁନ
ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ Mr. J.P. Patra, Learned Special Counsel for the State of Orissa in OPID Act matter, has produced a written instruction received from Deputy Superintendent of Police EOW and IOP case, which is taken as per the order dated 23/8/2024, which is taken on record. The instruction received indicates that Srikant Jena has not given any consent to keep his ancestral property as surety. The writing of Srikant Jena and his voter ID card have also been annexed with the written instruction. In view of such written instruction received by the Learned Counsel for the State, Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks some further time to obtain instruction in the matter. Put of this matter after 2 weeks. डेट दे देगा शनिवार सॉरी शुक्रवार.
Item 8.
Hey, on behalf of Mr. S. Samanth,
What modification you want?
my lord, your lordship earlier had this matter undated, my lord, of 15 to 2022, my lord. And your lordship had directed to surrender within 4 weeks, my lord.
That period has expired.
Yes, my lord.
You want further extension?
Yes, my lord, 2 weeks time.
Oh, end of September, Karam.
Yes.
Mr. Das, extension of date of surrender by end of September 2024. I disposed of.
Oh, bless you.
Item 9.
Pain has been not pressed, so
This is the
all 11.
controlling counsel are suffering from cancer at that
Alright.
time.
Item number 11, letter received extended
Item 12.
Appropriate order. What appropriate order you want?
May I please, my lord? I have for modification, my lord.
Huh?
Surety change, my lord.
कौन सिक्योरिटी चेंज हबो चंद्र भुई जगह ललिता दंप हबो
my lord.
दियन डॉक्यूमेंट दियन तो
Dey
वेरीफाई मिस्टर दास आगुरु जो सिक्योरिटी देइथिले से बोधे अब राजी होनी ता बदले आउ गोटे ना देइछंती ता डॉक्यूमेंट देइछंती वेरीफाई करंतु ठीक ठाक अछि ना हां
तळकोट को आर्थर इन डायरेक्ट देते से माने वेरीफाई कर दे देबो ना
तळकोट को दिएछले
ना ना आर्थर को देइतलु लास्ट ओकेजन आउ गोटे केस मैटर डायरेक्टली तळकोट माने ट्रायल कोर्ट टू वेरीफाई एंड डिस्पोज ऑफ
अच्छा हो हो सब्जेक्ट टू कंडीशन तांको ना लिखा हितला से जो दी जन को ना सिक्योरिटी ना
my lord.
को ऑर्डर है हां चंद्र विषय को हला तो बर्तमान किए राजी होनी चंद्र विषय
Chandra Vishnu.
Oh, IN number so and so. This is an application for modification of the order dated 17/5/2024. While 17/5 to Harper. While disposing of the bail application as per order dated 17/5/2024. And granting interim bail for a period of 3 months to the petitioner from date of release. It was observed that Chandra Bisoi and Dhananjaya Harijan shall be the two local sureties for the petitioners. The interim application has been filed for change of the local surety Chandra Bisoi and to add Lalita Dambo as the local surety. If in state of Chandra Bisoi, the documents of Lalita Dambo are filed, the same shall be verified in accordance with law before accepting the bail bond. Accordingly, the IA is disposed of. Yes. The order dated sponsor is modified to that extent and the IA is disposed of. Yes.
Item 13.
What modification, Mr. Roy?
Item 13, may I please, your lordship. Here is also same change of surety.
Change of surety.
Yes, my lord.
कहा जगह की होबो
On behalf of Gopinath Naik,
गोपीनाथ नाय जगह रे
Nabbar Naik.
नब्बर नायक होबो
Yes, my lord.
ऑर्डर डेटेड केते 19/7
19/7/2024.
सेई टाइप का कर देबो ता ना लिखा हितला से दी जण करो
Yes, my lord.
अच्छा
Felix Naik and
ऑल राइट आइए डिस्पोज ऑफ नेक्स्ट
Item 14.
published.
Item 14, may I please, lordship.
Hmm.
I'm filing IFO
on modification
modifying the order of modified order of 18/5/2023, my lord. Annexure 2, my lord.
modifying the modified order फिर आसीबे modify करियो
In the first occasion, my lord, this honorable court imposed me 1 lakh per month installment, my lord. For that, I am already paid 4 installment. Out of 20 lakhs, I am paid 4 lakh on installment of 1 lakh, 2 lakh deposited at time of releasing on bail, my lord. Then after that order was modified to 50,000, my lord.
केबे
Dated 18/5/2023, my lord. Annexure 2, page 10,
18/5/23
lordship.
तो कौन modify हला
लक्षे टଙ୍କା 50,000 ହେଲା. And I am already paid 13 lakhs, my lord, out of 20 lakhs.
वर्तमान के एपर्यंत केते टଙ୍କା पेमेंट कर साइले
13 ଲକ୍ଷ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିସାରିଛି 20 lakhs.
टोटल 20 रु 13
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
आसु रिपोर्ट देखियो मतलब आई एम अपेक्स आशु report IA copy दीजिए
नहीं कॉपी दे
अच्छा IA number so on so the application for modification of the order dated the last order टा modify करिवे order number order dated 18/5/2023 passed in IA number 601 of 2020.
IA number 11805 lords. IA number 606.
IA number 601. IA number 601 of 20. It is the submission made by the Land and Council for the petitioner that out of
20 lakhs
of the cash security which the petitioner is required to furnish, he has already furnished cash.
13 lakhs already paid.
13 lakhs. The Land and Council for the informant is present. Let a copy of the interim application be served on the Land and Council for the informant. Let a report be called for from the Land and Court region, Land and JMFC R Cutter in GR case number 2642 of 2021 as to how much money, how much cash security the petitioner has deposited till now. Matter to be listed. The report should receive on reach this court on or before so and so. Matter to be listed. Asi jau next week asu 13 এটা পরে আসি তা পূর্ব কোটা বলে দেব 15/9/2020. Yes.
Great for me.
Item 15.
My lord, in this case, earlier, your lordship pleased to allow first or second order, but unfortunately, the petitioner 1, 3, and 12 not surrender before the lower court, and 1 and 12 are central government.
कहाँ पे extension चाहूँगी देखो surrender पे
एक के तीन ही बार
Land Council for the petitioner submits.
मतलब in charge sheet submitted. Charge sheet submitted. There may be religion bell
1, 3, 1, 3 and 12 ना?
My lord.
1, 3 and 12 name भी दे देवे. Could not surrender as per the order dated so and so, and another date may be fixed for their surrender to comply the order dated so and so, extended till end of September 2024. Disposed of IS. Yes.
Item 16.
Yes, letter received extended next.
Item 17.
Item 17 may please lordship.
What modification you want?
A change of security that instead of Gopinath Naik jagare Felis Naik.
Gopinath Naik नाटा लिखा ही था
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
सही टाइप का कर देवे Felis Naik. All right. ये disposed of.
Item 18.
Lordship, this matter has become infructuous, Lordship, because it was filed against the interim maintenance order, but
IA number so and so is an application for modification of the order dated so and so. Land Council for the petitioner submits that the matter has become infructuous. Accordingly, IA disposed of. Yes.
Item 19.
Yes, Mr. Rautray. On modification. Application for modification. May surrender before JMFC City Baleshwar. Petitioner appearance arrest also. No directors also. Police satisfaction of final fear and response. Also. I'm not rich. Okay. Surrender to will do. Look, IA number so and so. There is an application for modification of the order dated so on. So since the petitioner has already been granted anticipatory bail by order dated 23/5/2024, no further order is required to be passed. This case according to IA disposed. Yes.
Item 20.
My lordship, please. My lordship, I am appeal number 2, my lord. In order dated 30/8/2024. In cost title, my appellant number 2, Sharat Kumar Sahu, not mentioned, my lord. And my name also not mentioned. And the last paragraph, my lord.
Wait. This was passed in
cost title, my lord.
Wait, your IA number was 1389 of 24.
1389 for 24.
Just IA number of 1389 of 24. সেটা কাহা ପାଇଁ ফাইল କରିଥିଲେ ଶରତ କୁମାର ସାହୁ
ଶରତ କୁମାର ସାହୁ
wait ଶରତ କୁମାର ସାହୁ appellant number କେତେ
2
CRL appellant number 2 acha
and my lord my name also not mentioned my lord
wait order number कौन ହେଇଥିଲା बेल ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା
my lord
but acha all right IA number 2208 of 2024. This is an application for modification of the order dated 30/8/2024, passed in IN number 1389 of 2024. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that this interim application was filed by appellant number 2, Sharat Kumar Sahu, but inadvertently in the post title, it has been mentioned as Vishnu Charano 30, appellant number 1. Moreover, his name has not been reflected in the order dated 38/2024. Therefore, the necessary modification be made. What is your good name?
My name is Pramod Chandra Sechpada. Pramod Chandra Sechpada.
लिखी इन दियो
Pramod Chandra Sechpada.
कागज दियो
And my lord, last paragraph.
Wait. Hard ऊपर लिख दो Mr. Pramod Chandra Sechpada, Land Council. It is made clear that the order dated 38/2024 in order number 30 dated 38/2024 passed in IA number 1389 of 2024 has been passed in respect of the appellant number 2, that is Sharat Kumar Sahu. And what further you want?
And further, my lord, last paragraph, let the appellant petitioner Vishnu Charano 30
and
be released.
Wherever.
My lord, let the appellant petition number 2, Sharat Chandra Sahu. Sharat Kumar Sahu.
And wherever in this aforesaid order, Vishnu Charano 30 has been mentioned, inverted comma vichare, the same shall be read as
Sharat Kumar Sahu.
Sharat Kumar Sahu.
Appellant number 2.
से विष्णु चरण 30 बेल ले पड़ी जाइनी तो
नहीं जाइनी अच्छी फाइल संगे संगे मेंशन नहीं चाहिए
अरे वो ऑर्डर टा तानार पास ही जे पड़ीनी तो
नहीं कस्टडी भीतर अछि
अला if the Land Council, when a query is made to the Land Council for the appellant number 2, Mr. Sechpada, as to whether due to the earlier order passed, the appellant number 1, Vishnu Charana 30, has been released on interim bail or not, he answered in negative. Be that as it may, in case by virtue of the earlier order dated 30/8/2024, the appellant number 1, Vishnu Charana Sethi, 30 has been released on bail. The steps shall be taken by the London Trial Court immediately to arrest him and send him to judicial custody. Hello? That's my.
My lord, Sarat Kumar Sahu released on bail. तीन दिन छुट्टी अच्छी in course of the order.
ନେଇକି ଦେଇଦେଇ ଆସିବି କି ସିଆଡେ?
No, no, madam.
ଆଉ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି? ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପାସ୍ ହେଲା, ଅର୍ଡର ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ, ପାଇବେ, ଯିବେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ବେଲ୍ ବଣ୍ଡ ଦେବେ ଯିବେ ଆଉ କଣ? Yes, next.
Item 21.
Me, please, my lords. My lords, may I kindly have a glance to order dated 23/8/2024, where your lord was pleased to direct the learned counsel for the state to obtain instruction if any complaint has been registered while I was on interim bail
Yes, Mr.
on the last occasion.
That's short for.
IA number 1752 of 2024. The London Council for the State 6 time till next week to obtain instruction as per the order dated 23/8/2024. List this matter on 13th September 2024.
Grateful, my lords.
Item 22.
Received granted interim bail for the period of 3 months on 18/10/23. And he has already surrendered, my lord, 24/1/24. And my lord, petitioner is in
Just a
custody.
minute, just. You are released on interim bail
My lord.
for a period of 3 months.
My lord.
Okay, whether you are misutilized or not misutilized is already, and no such report. Wait, IA number so and so, there is an application for bail. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was earlier directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months. As per order dated 18/10/2023 in IA number 2166 of 2023. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. As per order dated 23/8/2024, the London Council for the State was asked to obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty against the petitioner while on interim bail or not. Today, the London Council for the State has produced a written instruction received from IIC Industrial Police Station to the effect that during the interim bail period, the petitioner has not violated any terms and conditions and he has not misutilized his liberty, as no such report is there. And there is no adverse report against the petitioner during his interim bail period. The written instruction is taken on record. Since the petitioner has already undergone half of the substantive sentence imposed by the London Trial Court, and there is no chance of early hearing of the criminal appeal in the near future, As paper book has not been prepared, and since the petitioner has not misutilized the liberty while on interim bail granted earlier by this court, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for 3 months. Dispose of cover date to further से फाइल करेगा ना जो current study.
Item 23.
May plus 1. Status report was called for. Flag C matter.
ଆଠଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
Again, what happened, my lord, in this case?
ଆଠଟା ନା 18ଟା
ନାଇଁ 11
witnesses 18 seat ଆଚ୍ଛା କେତେ ଜଣ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
11
right
11.
you are right.
What happened, your lordship, in this case granted interim bail for 3 months for the 2 accused persons in 2 bail applications, and at that time 10 witnesses were examined out of 60, and this is the order.
ଇଏ ନାଁ ହଉଛି ପବିତ୍ର ମଣ୍ଡଳ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପବିତ୍ର ମଣ୍ଡଳ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଗୌରାଙ୍ଗ ମଣ୍ଡଳ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, that has been noted in the paragraph.
ସେମାନଙ୍କର detention period
Same 8/9/2020 same
they are be same
same.
Mr. Tripathi ଦେଖିଲେ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଟା detention କେବେ ହେଲା ୟା ନାଁ ହଉଛି ମାନିକ ହରିଜନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଇଏ ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇନଥିଲା
ନାଇଁ the FIR reveals that on the same day he was arrested.
court ରୁ arrest
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ ସେ ପବିତ୍ର ମଣ୍ଡଳ FIR I have annexed. ମାନିକ ହରିଜନ, this is the forwarded on.
court ରୁ arrest ହେଇଥିଲା ଦେଖିଲେ
forward ହେଇଛି sir.
forward ହେଇଛି 8/9 ଏଇ order କୁ ଦେଖିକି ଲେଖିଦେବେ ହେଲା ଯେ co-accused persons ମଧ୍ୟ similarly situated they have been granted interim bail but he is so forbidden they
page 2 ର paragraph 2 ଟା ଖାଲି 10 ଜାଗାରେ 11
ସେଟା କଣ ଗୋଟେ 10 ଜାଗାରେ କଣ 11 କହୁଛନ୍ତି correction କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ 8/9 ପ୍ରଥମ page ଟା ଠିକ ରହିବ second page ରେ କଣଟା correction
ସେତେବେଳେ 10ଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବେ 11ଟା
ଏ ଯୋଉ ସାକ୍ଷୀ 11ଟା period the report furnished by the learned trial court ମଧ୍ୟ ଲେଖିଦେବେ which also indicates that 11 witnesses have been examined ହେଲା 3 months next.
Item 24.
May it please your lordship.
Dispose of it. Yes, Ms. Mishra.
Your lordship, on the last occasion, your lordship had directed for the examination of all the eyewitnesses, your lordship. In the meantime, the remaining one eyewitness along with the injured person has already been examined by the
out of 4 charge sheet witnesses whose names were reflected in the transcript. 3 of them have been examined. So far as 4th witness is concerned, inspector in charge has appeared and received the summons of the said witness and filed the certified copies of the deposition of 13 witnesses in court today. So witness ta hella?
Yes, your lordship. He has been examined as PW 18, your lordship.
So,
I have submitted the copy, certified.
Yes.
Again,
ସବୁ ଗୁଡା hostile ହେଇଗଲେ କେହି କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
PW 18, your lordship.
ଆଗରୁ ବେଲ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
Your lordship, I was only released on interim bail for the purpose of daughter's marriage, your lordship.
Had the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on Quebec.
23/5/2022.
ଦେଖିଲେ And Agura asthile ki bail?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which number? Chittaranjan Mahanti.
Yes.
Earlier, the petitioner approached this court in BLAPL number 6503 of 2022, which was disposed of as per order dated 3/4/2023. And this court, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, granted liberty to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the imbue and other material witnesses in the trial court. It is the submission of the land counsel for the petitioner that in the meantime,
Your Lordship, 19 witnesses.
19 witnesses have been examined, including the eyewitnesses
And the injured.
and
And
the
the injured.
imbue. And the material witnesses have not supported the prosecution case. He has filed the deposition copies of the witnesses. Copies have also been furnished to the London Council for the state, who submitted that the material witnesses have not supported the prosecution case. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the change in the circumstances after the earlier rejection order, and the progress of the trial, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail, appear before the trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 25.
Please, my lord. After this, the informative here appear in this case, my lord. Petitioner.
You are for the informant. So, this is your first application or earlier?
Second.
Second. Earlier one is
792 by 2022.
376.2 and 376.3, so on so on so. Period the 164 CRPC statement of the victim, girl age about 16 years. Forcible sexual intercourse by give birth to child. कौन है लापरवाह पोजीशन कौन?
Out of 22 prosecution, 8 witness already examined.
22 to 8.
My lord.
Victim examined la.
My lord, victim already examined. W 6, my lord.
6.
My lord.
Kept ochandi.
10/9/2021, my lord. Near about 3 years, my lord.
How ketata case was such a ponare? And Mr. Counsel for the state. Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, no, that is not.
Upon Korokon instruction achi.
The victim has already stated.
Victim has supported the prosecution case.
Prosecution case.
Na ye jo mu pachar jo tar criminal antecedent विषय
criminal antecedent there is
instruction nahi hai apno jari. Mr. Tripathi, you obtain instruction. All right. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 10/9/2021. And in the meantime, in the trial court, out of 22 charge sheet witnesses, 8 witnesses have been examined, including the victim as PW6.
My lord.
When a query is made to the London Council for the state regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner, he seeks some time to obtain instruction. Put up this matter. Clear, Rakhivi? Yes. All right. With this matter on 13.
Item 26.
Mr. Nayak.
The person to lordship direction that I have filed the status report of the prime criminal antecedents. He has been involved in high number of criminal cases, my lord.
ଆଇଲା କି ଦେଖିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା କଣ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଆପଣ କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Sir.
କଣ ହେଇଲା ସେ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କେସ୍ କି ପ୍ରକାର କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କେସ୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ଇଜ my lord,
ସବୁ 307 କେସ୍
ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ 307
ନାଇଁ ନା
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କେସ୍ ଟା ହଉଛି
ଦୁଇ ନମ୍ବରଟା ବି ଦୁଇ ନମ୍ବରଟା କଣ
ହଉଛି 341 323 294 506 34
ତାପରେ
ତିନିଟା ହଉଛି 341 ସରି 341 323 34 ଚାରି ନମ୍ବରଟା ହଉଛି 20 2B
ପାଞ୍ଚ ନମ୍ବର 341 323 425 506
ସବୁଟାକରେ ବେଲ୍ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଭେରାଇଟି ଅଫ କେସେସ୍ NDPS ଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି 7 ଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଉଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଟର୍ମସ ଆଣ୍ଡ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଏଇଟା କି ଅଫେନ୍ସ 302 ଦିନକୁ ଦିନ ପ୍ରମୋସନ ହଉଛି ନା ତେଣୁ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ଭିତରେ କେସ୍ ର ପୋଜିସନ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ପୋଜିସନ ଟୋଟାଲ କେତେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ କେତେ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଆଉ କେଇଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲେ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ କରନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଆଉ କେଇଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏ 6ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରେ ନା ହୋଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ହେଇଗଲେ
Rakesh Srivastava University directed me another application Lordship can be Lordship's order dated.
You examine the case record that ଏ 6ଟା ଯୋଉ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଡିପୋଜିସନ କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କିଏ ବାକି ରହିଗଲା
ଆହୁରି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍
ଦିଅ ନା
examine in the meantime.
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 6ଟା ହେଇଛି ହେଇଛି କାହିଁ ଡିପୋଜିସନ କପି ତ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ 6ଟା ର ଡିପୋଜିସନ କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 6ଟା ନା ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆସିଛି 10ଟା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ 10ଟାର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେତେଟା ଡିପୋଜିସନ କପି ଅଛି
6ଟା
ହେଲେ ଆଉ 4ଟା ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିକିନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ବି ନାହିଁ ୟୁ କଲେକ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ୟୁର ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଯୋଉ ଡିପୋଜିସନ କପି ଗୁଡାକ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ ବାକି ସେଇ ଯୋଉ 10ଟା ପରେ ଆଉ ଯଦି କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକରେ କହିବେ ଭେରିଫାଇ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇଟ୍ appears that in the trial court 10 witnesses have already been examined. The deposition copies are also available on record. The learned counsel for the petitioners, also the learned counsel for the state, submits that they are not having the deposition copies from PW7 TO2 PW10. Let the registry supply the same to the learned counsel for both the parties in their respective pen drives. Learned counsel for the state submits that he has received the case record and he will verify whether any other material witnesses have been left out to be examined or not. Put up this matter on 13th of September 2024. Aji pen drive the collect karniundu nale puni asubidha hala.
I may be pardoned, my lord, in that before matter, I was not, I am not available in 13 my lord. Let it come, my lord, on 18th my lord.
Council kodale.
Council, I will intimate him.
ଫୋନ କରି ଡକେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହେଇଛି ସିଏ 13 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଯଦି ନ ଆସିବ କହିବେ କାହିଁ ଆସିଲାନି ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡକେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ମୁଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା ୟେସ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 7.
Please, Your Lordship, as pursuant to my Lord's last direction, I have filed another surety certificate in compliance to order dated 23/8/2024.
ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୟୁରିଟିର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନା ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଆ ନଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିଦେବେ 13 ତାରିଖ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ the learned counsel for the state submits that he has received the name, address and documents of one local surety from the learned counsel for the petitioner and the matter may be taken off instruction short for korichen na koribe koribi acha for now the matter may be taken off 1 week after to obtain instructions on such local surety put of this matter on 20th of September 2024. Instruction be obtained in the meantime. Yeah.
Oblige, my lords.
Item 28.
May I please, your lordship? In the last occasion, your lordship directed the
Yes, Mr. Nayak. कौन है last occasion कौन है
whether the petitioner stands in the similar footing along with the co-accused Abhishek Singh Chauhan and another co-accused. My lords,
Just a minute. Mention is made so and so. Achha. To obtain instruction whether the petitioner stands on the similar footing like that of co-accused Abhishek Singh Chauhan, who is stated to have been released on bail by this court in so and so. Yes, Mr. Nayak.
Lordships, I filed a reply.
Kahin. Reply would have come upon the copy region.
counter has already been served, and in the meantime, the petitioner stands in the similar footing along with Abhishek Singh Chauhan, who was also released on bail.
Tari per would have come Lekijani, Parakon coach and the region, the counter would have.
Lordships, everybody played different roles. Somebody was a CEO, somebody was a CMD. So the designation of the petitioner is mentioned in the chart sheet, your lordships.
नहीं बाकी सब जो पीरियड ऑफ डिटेंशन आउ अन्य जो क्राइटेरिया गुडा ये तो गोटे गोटे पोस्ट होल्ड करथिले किंतु बाकी अन्य जिंस रे सेम ये ना किसी
only the criminal antecedents part, your lordships, I don't know. Your lordship
नहीं ए जोटा देइचंदी जे आपनकर काउंटर एफिडेविट फाइल्ड बाय वन मिस्टर अशोक कुमार who is as present Deputy Superintendent of Police, CBI, SCB Bhubaneswar. Say what are
Yes, your lordships.
Okay. So basically, the allegations are similar in nature, except that the post which they were holding that is different.
Yes, your lordships.
And since when you are in custody?
Petitioner is in custody since my lord 29/6/2018. 26/9/2018, sorry.
26/9/2018. And you are a man from Madhya Pradesh. So you are required to furnish the local surety details.
Next week I will.
As per the order dated previous order,
The address also I need to verify.
Achha, all right. As per the order dated 16/8/2024, Mr. Sarthak Naik, Learned Special Public Prosecutor for the CBI, has filed a counter affidavit by one Ashok Kumar, Deputy Superintendent of Police, CBI, SCB Bhubaneswar. The learning, Mr. Nayak submits that the allegation against the petitioner and co-accused Chauhan are almost similar, but the post which they were holding in key company, Messrs. Nirmal Infra Home Corporation Limited, are different. However, Mr. Nayak submits that since the petitioner is a man from so and so in the state of Madhya Pradesh, he may be given some time to
Lordship, it may come as a direction from the court, your lordships.
Acha.
That your lordships.
All right. It appears from the cause title that the petitioner is a man from so and so Madhya Pradesh. Let the Learned Council, let the Learned Special Public Prosecutor obtain instruction as to whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. Stop. Learned Council for the petitioner shall furnish the names, address, and documents of two local sureties to Mr. Naik within a period of
within a week.
On receipt of the same, the authenticity of the documents and genuineness of bailers shall be obtained by Mr. Naik. Put up this matter. Upon the next week, which are the 13 ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ଟାଇମ ଦିଆଯିବ so then matter let it come on 27th September 2024.
Lordship, I have just one small request to make, subject to your
Yes.
Lordship's approval. Lordship, may I just add one line that when a query was made to the public prosecutor, whether both are on similar footing or not, I replied to the court.
Acha.
Instead of being
all right, the so-and-so, when a query was made to the so-and-so, he on the basis of this counter affidavit submitted, then so-and-so जोड़ा ताकि ହେଲା all right. Please now 2024 local surety ଗୋଟେ aspect ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି address verification. Yes.
Item 29.
Matter
Yes.
29, Your Lordship may kindly recollect that matter where 4 crores were taken from the bank, but only paid about 1 crore some odd. He is in custody. He surrendered on 25/4/2023. Earlier, he was on interim bail by virtue of Your Lordship's order, and thereafter Your Lordship directed him to surrender. Instead of surrendering, he approached the Honorable Supreme Court, and by virtue of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, he surrendered on 25/4/2023. And since then, he is in custody. In the meantime, Your Lordship wanted to know what is the period of custody, and I have submitted last time. So he is about.
The State Council was asked to produce the custody certificate number 1 and number 2 about the instruction whether he has misutilized the liberty while on interim bail.
Yes.
Or not. That is the 2 instructions. So what is your instruction, Mr. So-and-so? The custody certificate, Vishwanto is enclosed.
1 year, 8 months from the date of surrender.
Wait.
From the date of surrender, 1 year. Aguru Silla 191 days by 25/4.
କୋଉଠି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଥିରେ? 688 ଦିନ
1 year 8 months.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? That it is pertinent to mention that on various occasions once the petitioner has made submission regarding settlement of dues with informant bank, basing on which he was granted interim bail by the High Court. On the contrary, he has time and again not settled the dues of the swans. However, the accused petitioner has not sworn. Petitioner has not deposited any payment to the bank since September 2021. As such, total closure amount in both the involved account, Ajam Swanso, is 15.93 crores. So, how do you propose to deposit it?
My Lord,
and
I have
criminal antecedent is
my Lord, criminal antecedent only I have
1, 2,
given
3, 4, 5 cases.
No, 5, only 4 cases, my Lord. One is not relating to me. One Salepur case has been reflected in that, but I am not an accused.
15.93 crores.
My Lord, 15 point according to them right now after the.
So you give the proposal how you are to.
My Lord, proposal I have stated that there is a land at Jalpaiguri, and in the meantime they have given the.
Give your power of attorney to somebody so that the land will be sold.
My Lord,
it is not necessary that you should be there. Once you give the power of attorney, it can be sold.
My Lord, my submission before your Lordship is
public
that
money you have taken, and
that is true. That is true.
And
my
5 years you have already enjoyed the liberty.
My Lord,
it is not that you are in custody for such a period that you are just in custody for 1 year and some months.
Not for 1 year and some months.
Yes, that is the report 688.
My Lord, my submission before your Lordship is that earlier I have deposited, I have taken about 3 crores some odd. I have deposited 1.9. But thereafter it has been
the report is that this outstanding dues is 15.9.
Yes, my Lord. I have also filed while in custody. I have approached the bank through the mail. bank has stated that the one-time settlement can be done.
Take instruction and file affidavit to that.
My lord,
File an affidavit how you will propose to deposit this amount.
my lord, 15 crores. There is nobody in the family except the wife.
Give you, the criminal antecedent report is filed, which is taken on record. Learned counsel for the state has produced the custody certificate and also the instruction from Deputy Superintendent EOW Bhubaneswar, which indicates that the petitioner has not made any payment to the bank since September 2021, and the total closure amount of both the involved accounts as on 24/7/2024 is 15 crore 93 lakhs 52,749 as intimated by the informant bank. Stop. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner how the petitioner proposed to deposit such amount with the bank. Matter be listed on the week commencing on such answers. Yes.
I may be given a copy of the instruction.
Yes. That's next.
Yes, Oblis. Lordship keeping it to my lord.
It will be called on 20th of September 2020.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, item 25, I have already intimated my friend. My friend is also here. So let it come, my lord, on 20th, and we'll check out a plan, my lord, because
what is there?
My lord, regarding that item 25, my lord. Your lordship, I have the short for.
Just a minute.
Yes, my friend is there.
25. You want it on
20th, my lord.
Okay. You are not available on 13th. That is your.
My lord, my lord.
What do you say? All right. এটা কি ডিকটেশন নিয়েছেন আপনি নিয়েছেন আচ্ছা 13টাও 20 করে দেবেন হ্যাঁ অলরাইট
Item 30.
On behalf of Mr. Chand, pass over, my lord.
Next.
Item 31.
This 30, you have received the case diary, Mr. Tripathi?
Yes, sir. She is coming, my lord.
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে 500
দুইটা
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে at 2 o'clock. Inform Mr. Chand.
Yes.
Item 31.
No, pray for adjournment.
Pray for
adjournment.
Adjournment. All right. Adjourn. Give a date. Yes, next.
Item 32.
32 million Mr. Lordship directed to verify the permanent address of the petitioner. Learned State Council has taken time.
Just a minute, sir, to verify the correctness. कोठी का लोग कोई है?
My lord,
उत्तर प्रदेश का. Asiwala verification.
No, my lord, we are already sought for.
Already sought for. Learned counsel for the state submits that some more time is required for obtaining instruction regarding the correctness of the address of the petitioner.
On any verified matter. My instruction.
ନାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନି ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଥିବେ ଯାଇଥିବେ ଭେରିଫାଇ ହେଇଥିବ stop good line add କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received instruction from his client that the address of the petitioner has already been verified. Put up this matter on 13th of September 2024.
Item 33.
Item 33, my lord. Principal accused has already been granted bail by the Honorable Coordinate Bench yesterday, my lord.
Criminal appeal মানে SC/ST matter?
My lord, SC/ST matter. Kintu the present appellant belongs to my lord Binjal, STY community. That is why 3 SC/ST will not be attracted so far as the appellant is concerned, my lord.
Yeah.
And I am handing over, my lord. Principal accused yesterday, my lord.
हाँ confirmation letter टा ଆସିଲା କି?
Yes.
କେବେ service ହେଇଛି?
Not.
Learned counsel for the state has produced the confirmation letter regarding service of notice on the informant, which shows that notice has been made sufficient on 9/8.
Second question. 9/8.
9/8 में 19/8 लिखा है जी?
Sorry,
19/8 2024. None appears for the informant. Stop. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆଉ 3ଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି।
My lord, there are 3 antecedents.
କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଏଇ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବରଟା କେତେ?
154 of 20.
154 ଆକୁ ଛାଡିକିନା ଆଉ 3ଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି। Alright. The Learning Council for the state has produced written instruction received from Inspector in charge of Model Police Station, Padmampur, which shows that the petitioner has got 3 criminal antecedents. ଆପଣ କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଦେଇନା।
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି। The Learning Council for the same is taken on record for the Learning Council for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction in respect of such criminal antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those 3 cases put of this matter on 20th of September 2024.
Item 34.
May I please, Your Lordship? Appellant is in custody, my lord.
Condonation of delay କେତେ ଦିନ delay ଅଛି?
45 days.
45 days. Notice ଯାଇଥିଲା? Sufficient ହେଲା?
No instruction ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
No instruction ମାନେ କଣ?
ମାନେ we have already sent the letter।
କେବେ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ?
5/8।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତା ଆଗରୁ ବି ହେଇଥିଲା।
Why response? The who IICC?
तारा सिंगी ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର।
ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର। କୁହନ୍ତୁ appear କରିବ virtual mode ରେ ନହେଲେ 2ଟା ବେଳକୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ appear କରିବ। କାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ response କାହିଁ ଦେଲାନି? It will be taken up at 2 p.m. ହେଲା?
Yes.
Yes, next.
Item 35.
That of Mr. D.K. Das, associate. Yes, my lord. Second round application, my lord. First application.
Critical appeal ମାନେ SC/ST ମାନେ?
Yes, the offense is there, my lord.
Notice ଯାଇଥିଲା?
Notice sufficient ହେଇଛି। Report ଆସିଛି।
Notice sufficient ହେଇଛି?
Yes.
ପାଇଗଲେ confirmation letter?
ଦେଖିଲେ। ଆସିନି ଆପଣ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ?
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲରେ କଣ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ସେ।
ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଥିବେ।
ହଁ ପଠେଇଥିଲି ପଠାଇଛି। ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆସିନି ଆଉ।
ମାନେ alright, you have got the case diary etc.
Yes sir, case diary।
So why are you not ତାକୁ ସେ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ହାଜର ହବ? ସେଇ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ସେ IIC ଆସିଲେ confirmation letter କାହିଁ ପଠେଇଲାନି? 2 o'clock take up. Yes, next.
Item 36.
Pass over, my lord.
Yes, I am appearing for the informant, my lord.
Case diary ପାଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି? Mr. Sahoo? Okay. ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ? Which for the petitioner?
And for the appellant, Hon'Ble my lord senior ଆସିଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ କି? What is the name of the petitioner? ରିଙ୍କୁ ମହାନ୍ତ। ରିଙ୍କୁ ମହାନ୍ତ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି କଣ ଗେଡୁ ଆଲିଆସ ବାଇନ ଛତର। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ଆସିଥିଲେ BLAPL ନମ୍ବର 12704 ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ୱିଡ୍ର କରି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଓକେ ତ ଅଫେନ୍ସ କଣ ଆଧିରେ? Mrs. Sahoo?
307 my lord।
307?
My lord। PSC also।
PSC ଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେ appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ injured ନା କଣ?
ଜିତେନ କୁମାର।
କଣଟା?
ଜିତେନ କୁମାର ସରି। Some photographs of the medical.
Wait,
Jitan Kumar Soren.
Kumar Soren.
Jitun, my lord. Jitun.
J.I. अच्छा जितुन कुमार सोरेन कोथरे वेपन ऑफ असॉल्ट कौन
Petrol, my lord.
अच्छा पेट्रोल
During the petrol, my lord. Born injuries there.
पेट्रोल पकेगी निया लगेइथिले
My lord.
ओडी दीथिले
My lord.
अच्छा कौन हैला पुणी तार कौन फोटो कौन कोथरे फोटो देखी
Doctor is open for the plastic surgery.
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी
Probable date is 29 October. He is unable to open his mouth.
era पढ़ाई extensively learn counsel for the informant अपन last year रे
No, my lord. I am happy today.
कहीं भी ना कहीं
I have already paid. Please.
जाएंगे
Today morning I have filed the bill.
Mr. Pramod Kumar Pati दे जाओ advocate submits that he has already filed VNAMA today. Let the VNAMA be placed on record and the name of the learned counsel for the informant be reflected in the cause list. Learned counsel for the informant has produced the injury report of the SCV Medical College Hospital. So also the photographs of the NGO and submits that the plastic surgery is likely to take place on 29/10/2024. The photographs and the medical documents filed by the learned counsel for the informant taken on record. Matter be listed in the second week of November 2024. सील मारी जो जो डॉक्यूमेंट रिसीव करछंदी तर सील देबे हैला हां सिंपल यस
Item 37.
My approval, Ashwin. So this case, my criminal appeal for bail matter. AC act is there, my lord. I for condemnation of delay 57 days delay. Notice already ଯାଇଥିଲା my lord.
Sufficient ହେଲା Mrs. Sahoo. CRLA number 575 of 2020.
Regarding notice, no instruction.
नहीं नो इंस्ट्रक्शन माने कोन पठेइछन ना नहीं नोटिस ता
पठाइछ
केबे पठेइले
21st 8 2024.
अच्छा ओ तक दो दीटा बड़ हाजिर हो चाहिए
My
नेक्स्ट
Item 38.
38 Mr. Pradhan.
Yes. The custody since 29/1/2021.
अच्छा SC/ST एथरे नोटिस जाइछि सफिशिएंट हला
my lord, last occasion I have already sent my lord. So pray for 1 week time, my lord.
केबे पठेइछन कोन
21st 8 August 2021.
केस डायरी पाई जइछन
My lord.
ठीक है डाकी दियन राय एसी बस yes next
Item 39.
May please your lordship. My lord, on the last occasion, last chance was given to obtain the custody certificate of the present appellant, my lord, who is in custody, my lord, since 2000.
SC/ST matter.
Yes, my lord.
Notice sufficient hela
13/7/2015 I am in custody.
no SC/ST matter notice sufficient is na nahi
My lord.
sufficient ହେଇଥିଲା custody
24/7/2024 ରେ order ହେଇଥିଲା
Previously notice is already sufficient my lord. Last occasion lordship directed to obtain the custody certificate.
all right କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲାଣି
my lord I am arrested on 13/7/2015 and my lord
produce କର
13/7/2015
କେତେ ଆସୁଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର
As per the custody certificate 8 year 1 month 26 days.
more than 8 years ନା
My lord.
କଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଠି ଚାଲିଛି
states my lord that out of 21 charge sheet witnesses that 10 witnesses has already been examined and my lord I have handed over the copy of the deposition and my lord
offense କଣ
offense my lord that 457 376D 392 of the IPC rates with section 3 of the SC/ST Act my lord that here my lord allegation that the present informant along with her family members and co-worker they were the daily laborer they were working under a construction company they were asleep in a hatchet house
ଆଗରୁ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ଆସିଥିଲେ
ଆଗରୁ my lord your lordship was pleased to release this present petitioner for a period of 3 months my lord had order dated 26/2/2024 26/2/2024
where is the order
your lord and then my lord I have annexed in my that surrender certificate I have annexed that in time he surrendered
wait let us see
and he is in
surrender certificate kahin
my lord I have filed and rejection order itself indicate I have annexed the rejection order my lord annexure 1 that petitioner surrendered my lord paragraph my lord
okay Mrs. Sahoo
My lord.
you obtain instruction about the any report adverse report during that interim bail period all right learned counsel for the state submits that notice on the informant has been made sufficient she further produced the surrender custody certificate which reveals that the petitioner is in judicial custody for more than 8 years his custody certificate is taken on the phone it seems that petitioner was earlier released on interim bail for a period of 3 months and he surrendered on after exiting the interim bail period
2024 he surrendered my
let the learned counsel for the state obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty against the petitioner while on interim bail or not କୋଉ ଥାନା ଧର୍ମଶାଳା 13 ତାରିଖ ଆସିବ next
Item 40.
I have applied for opposite party number 2 minor. The copy of the opinion will be sub minor. Only the police give the lordship's order.
এটা SC/ST matter ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ next week ରେ ନବା case record ନେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି Mrs. Sahoo all right the ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ତ କାଇଁ ଆସିନି କେବେ
CD has not come on item 40 my lord.
get the case diary also
My lord.
beyond Mr. Satyanarayan Mishra learned counsel has filed Bhinama for the informant the same is taken on record let the learned counsel for the petitioner serve a copy of the appeal memo along with all the annexures to the learned counsel for the informant. Learned counsel for the state submits that she may be given some further time to obtain the case diary, so also instructions regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the appellant. Put up this matter on 13/9/2024. Name of the learned counsel for the informant be reflected in the cause list. Yes.
Item 41.
May please your lordship. May please your lordship.
The bail application of the appellant in
yes, your lordship.
Number so and so.
Lord, may I just pass on.
So there was a direction to expedite the framing of the charge and at the first instance examine the injured of the
Suraj could be
eyewitnesses.
Yes, Lord.
So
kind of lens I have annexed in my
deposition
copy annex
PW?
2 PW1 annex 2 running page 14, Your Lordship.
देखिए informant.
No, my lord, injured, my lord. Informant is the
I do not know any of the अच्छा hostile ही लगी.
yes, Your Lord.
ओहो तापरे
Your Lordship, for a moment kind of lens earlier order, Your Lordship. I have just
ଏଠି ଅଛି ତ ମୋ ପାଖରେ
sorry.
TRLA 1751 ତ
Again, yes, Your Lordship.
ହଁ କଣ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଅର୍ଡରରେ କଣ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
No, my lord, this much, my lord, direction earlier, my lord.
that is the direction.
Yes, sir.
So that is available. Yes, Mrs. Sahu. So ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ସୁରଜ କୁର୍ମୀ as it appears he has not supported the prosecution case. ଆଉ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସାକ୍ଷୀ ବିଜୟ ବାଗ ଆଉ ବିକୁ ଜାଲ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଦିଟା
deceased, my lord.
ବିକୁ ଜାଲ they are the two deceased persons. So what I want to know from you is that whether this PW1 is the sole eyewitness to the commission of murder or there are other eyewitnesses to the occurrence.
There are other one eyewitness, my lord, but he is nowhere available in the it appears in the charge sheet, Your Lordship, during investigation.
Sir, be clear. There are only two eyewitnesses.
Two eyewitnesses.
One has been examined. The other is?
Other is the day of incident, my lord. He is not available, my lord, in their locality, my lord.
What is the name?
My lord, Rohit Kumhar, my lord. That's why Rohit Kumhar. That's why Your Lordship directed after examination of Suraj Kurmi. This is the last time Your Lordship also perused this fact of the charge sheet, my lord. Day of incident से कुआडे पळेई गई और देखा ता घरे नहीं कि कोठी भी नहीं इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ताको आन करना
Mrs. Sahu, have you verified the record whether ସିଏ ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ତ ଅଲରେଡି ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆର ସାକ୍ଷୀଟା କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନମ୍ବର 2 ଆଉ କେହି ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ଡବଲ ମର୍ଡର କେସ୍ ତେଣୁ you can go through the case record and verify. Okay, we'll take up this matter next week. Learning counsel for the petitioner submits that there are eyewitnesses in this case, namely Suraj Kurmi and one Rohit Kumbhar. He further submits that Suraj Kurmi has been examined as PW1 in the trial court and he has not supported the prosecution case. So far as witness Rohit Kumbhar is concerned, his whereabouts is not known and even the charge sheet indicates that he did not appear before the IO and absconded from the spot soon after the occurrence and did not return to his house till the submission of the charge sheet. Stop. Learned counsel for the state submits that she has received the case diary and since it's a case of double murder, the matter may be taken up next week to verify the case records as to whether there are only two eyewitnesses to the occurrence or not. And secondly, whether Rohit Kumbhar is available to be examined in the trial court or not. Put up this matter on 13th of September 2024.
Item 42.
42 minutes and informant respondent number 3 minutes.
डायरेक्ट कॉपी ऑफ
देनासी केस डायरी पाई जाइछंती अच्छा हम कॉपी टी दियो
आगे दे दे
Mr. Kabir Kumar Jena and his associates associates have filed power for the informant which is taken on record. Let a copy of the criminal appeal memo along with the annexures be served on the Land and Counsel for the informant. Land and Counsel for the state 6 time till next week to obtain the case diary, so also instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the appellant put of this matter on 13/9/2024. Return. Seal Marchanti.
Item 43.
May I please, your lords? Appellant is in custody, my lord, since 23/11/2023. Earlier, he has approached this honorable court. Liberty was granted after.
SC matter ki?
Agia.
Notice of sender
My lord, on 18/8/2024.
The Land and Counsel for the state has produced the confirmation letter regarding service of notice on the informant, which was made on 18/8/2024. The same is taken on record. Anybody appearing? Non-appeal for the informant. And you have also received the case diary.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Sahoo, is it the first application?
The second application, my lord. Earlier, liberty was granted, move after examination of the victim.
39/2024.
Yes, my lord. 21/3/24.
CRPC statement of the victim. I am not a victim ro deposition.
Yes, annexure 2, page 13, my lord. There is love affairs between them, my lord.
Boys kete?
Boys 24.
We fell in love. We met each other, speaking over phone in my rented house. Okay. Yes, Mrs.
Have a glance on the para 4, my lord.
Para 4.
My lord.
I contested the post of Panchayat Samiti member. Tar last ko.
My lord.
Say page wrong.
My lord.
2 months thereafter, he made viral of. Oh,
no, your lordship, charge sheet, my lord.
Charge sheet submit ही नहीं की ये रे IT Act रे.
नहीं ହେଇଛି. No, your lordship kindly peruse. That photographs which has been seized by the police from the mobile of the victim, not from the mobile of the petitioner. That is the charge sheet, my lord. Your lordship kindly peruse.
नहीं आपको मोबाइल ता मोबाइल को पूरा छाड़ी जंदी से आउ
ता मोबाइल रे viral होछ. That was seized by the police, the mobile of the victim. That is the charge sheet, my lord.
केमदी कोन निजो मोबाइल केमदी फोटोग्राफ
that is the charge sheet, my lord. Your lordship kindly peruse the charge sheet.
To cover his phone, 2 months thereafter, he made viral of my nude photographs and videos in the WhatsApp group created for Panchayat Samiti member. I was not having an account in it. I came to know that he made viral of my nude photographs on Facebook. He also sent obscene photographs on circulation from. कौन है जी कौन पूछे वो कौन टा दे
Last paragraph. That viral photographs which is
the mobile of the victim and accused along with one chief collected the nude photographs of the victim from her mobile phone. तो ताकू पठेगी निजो फोन नु डिलीट कर देइथिबे अरे क्या अच्छा कथा आउ सी कोन निजो
that is the investigation report, my lord.
अन्य जोड़ा को that's different because ये जोड़ा को सब ये को जो ना एक लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग होनी तो ये मैटर से पढ़ा लगी Only the this is all right. This consent part you raised, that's all right. But video viral.
Yeah.
So any kind of pregnancy or
No, nothing.
or the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since Kebetrolani.
Yes. Pass on my file. Date chapter.
Three bracket two bracket small b bracket small b of SC and STPOA Act and section 66 bracket E and 67A of the
Item 44.
44 में pleases your lordship similar to 41 your lordship only difference at my lord whether here my lord notice has been served or not. Last time
40 এটা তার সাথে connected তা ଆସିବ 13 ନ ବଚ list this matter along with 41 ଟା ହଉଛି CRLA number 713 of 2024 ହେଲା on 13/9/2024 ହଁ
your lordship
next
whether a notice has been served and sufficient or not.
ଏଇଥିରେ ଏକା ଜିନିଷ ତା ଦେହରେ ବି ସେଇଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ସେଇ ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଁ ତ ରହିଛି ନା ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ अच्छा learn counsel for the state like ଗୋଟେ line shall obtain instruction regarding sufficiency of service of notice on the informant है ना all right
oblige
Item 45.
May I please, Your Honor? Last document. Order date my 2/8/2024, my lord. Last occasion honorable court directed to verify the address furnished by the petitioner in the cost title man.
କଣ ହେଲା
I have already sent the letter to the Malkanagiri SP, but till yet not received, my lord, on 6/8/2024.
ଅଜୟ ଏଟା କେରଳରୁ ଆସିବ
My lord.
all right next week ରଖୁଛି କଣ ହେଲା development କହିବେ put up this matter on 13/9/2024 as paid for by the land council for the state to obtain instruction regarding development made relating to ascertain the correctness of the address of the petitioner as given in the cause title. Yes, next.
Item 46.
May please lordship. In this case charge sheet was submitted under section 147 148 302 149 of IPC
on order ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ
last occasion my lord on 26 CDC was called for. Thereafter, on my prayer, my lord has called for the report from the learned court below regarding the stage of trial.
Stage of trial.
So last day thila.
Last C. Charge sheet submitted. Final charge sheet submitted. Case record of so split of ହେଇଗଲା. Case record received from so अच्छा MO और C report ପାଇଁ ଅଛି and consideration of charge ପାଇଁ ଅଛି
yes
କିଛି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇନି ଆଉ
no hello what happened in this case
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ପରା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
no
ଆଉ
after anticipatory rejection of anticipatory bill the petitioner in first case have surrendered on 15
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ absconding ଥିଲେ
ହଁ 15/7 ରେ 2023 he has surrendered the petitioner in for first item and in second item my lord the petitioner was arrested on 8/7/23
so 302 case no
yes case counter case my lord our case is first
302 case ର charge frame many eyewitnesses ଅଛନ୍ତି
no what I am submitting they are the aggressors
whatever it may be
my lord
the co-accused person's bail application was also rejected and they were directed to
no all the co-accused have been granted bail except these two and in the
who have been granted bail
my lord all the co-accused persons but they are on little bit different footing and in the counter case my lord
they were in custody the indicates that they were taken into custody on 3/4/2018
yes on 21 they are granted
and bail was granted on 3/9/2021 means
yes
3 years and 5 months after they were taken into custody and this court has taken into account so many things including the period of detention
yes
so you have just now surrendered and
one more than 1 month and 2 years sorry 1 year and 2 months
in respect of those co-accused persons what is the position now their trial has
no
it's not started
In both the cases, charge was not filed till date.
So, have you got the case diary with you?
My lord.
So, whether as per the eyewitnesses account, the allegation against this petitioner Upendra Nag and the connected matter
Vicky Banchur.
Vicky Banchur
My lord.
is similar like this Vikas Kansari and Pandava Mukhi.
No, my lord.
But Pandav Mukhi and Vikas Kansari on the counter case. They have stabbed the deceased of this case.
No, who are the accused persons granted bail in this particular case?
But that I have not enforced. This is the counter case bail application orders.
If any accused persons have been released on bail,
My lord.
file the
File all the bail orders.
Land and Counsel for the petitioner submits that some of the co-accused persons as a period the status report submitted by the Land and Trial Court as per order dated so and so. The Land and Counsel for the petitioner submits that some of the co-accused persons.
My lord, I have the orders with me.
Huh?
I have the orders.
You produce the bail order copy.
My lord.
Have been released on bail, and he may be given some time to produce the certified copy of the bail orders. Put up this matter
Next week on
13th for them, 13th Franco. If in the meantime the bail orders are handed over to the Land and Counsel for the state who has already received the case diary, the claim of parity be examined. Yes, next.
Okay.
And this matter is to be listed along with 2423 of 2024.
Item 47.
Lordship, last time order for production of custody certificate and a status report, Lordship. The petition jail custody since 4 years, Lordship. Position of 21 kila
Status report to asiyola. Status report kon dekhuji. Charge sheet submitted against Sravana and Jaga. Cognizance taken. Charge framed. Sravana, you are, what is your name? Jaga.
I am Jaga Das.
अच्छा Sravana NBW issue ହେଲା अच्छा केस स्प्लिट अप ହେଇଗଲା ତାର 19ଟା ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ରୁ 6ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି that is the yes
Lordship, earlier this petition was ended 3 months bail, Lordship. I pray, Lordship, let 3 months be. ଯାଇଥିଲା Lordship, earlier ଯାଇଥିଲା ପୁରୁଣା ପାରି.
Okay, Jagadas.
Jagadas.
That is in BLAPL number 9029 of 2022 as per order dated 6/4/23.
Lordship. He has not misutilized the liberty, Lordship.
So, the State Council was directed to produce the custody certificate number 1. Number 2, about the instruction, if any, against the criminal antecedent already issued.
Regarding criminal antecedent, I will obtain, my lord, regarding criminal antecedent, I have received, my lord, 2 criminal antecedent against the present petitioner, one in similar in nature, and another is 307, my lord. Regarding the custody certificate, my lord, he had not received.
A case Lordship custody since 14/10/2020.
And another thing, that whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty while on interim bail or not. Set of obtained from the next week. Land and Counsel for the state submits that he has obtained instruction relating to criminal antecedent, and the petitioner has got 2 criminal antecedents. He has supplied the numbers of those cases to the Land and Counsel for the petitioner, who shall obtain instruction and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. Land and Counsel for the state seek some further time to obtain the custody certificate of the petitioner from the concerned jail superintendent. So also the instruction about whether the petitioner, there is any allegation against the petitioner to have misutilized the liberty while on interim bail granted to him in by this court in BLAPL number kete number seta
9029 of 2022. 9029.
9029 of 2022 as per order dated 6/4/2023. Free copy of the order be handed over to the land council for the state. Yes, matter to be listed on 48/9/2024. Yes.
Item 48.
48 may please, your lords. Lordship, I have filed a IA for interim bill, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, the state is directed to take instruction, man.
On by interim bill?
The mother of the accused person is, my lord, under
Yes, sir. Have you received IA number 658 of 24? Application for interim bail. Yes, you submitted in the other day that the inspector in charge of Raibania police station has 5 days more time for verification of the medical documents which have been annexed to the. Yes, 5 days have already passed.
After lunch, I will get
After lunch. Next.
Item 49.
Yes, Mr. Chinmay Ranjan Das. Next.
Item 50.
May I please, your lord? Sanction 302-307 34 IPC, my lord. Petition in custody since 1480-2020, my lord.
ठीक है the last order टाला 23/8/2024 रे अच्छा स्टाटस रिपोर्ट मगाइतला असलगी रिपोर्ट एट फ्लैग आर देखाई हाँ अच्छी ओहो এটা কমিটমেন্ট হয়ে গেলানি
Already 5 witnesses already examined.
So why didn't you say on that day?
I have stated, my lord.
Contact with him.
I have stated, my lord. 5 witnesses already examined. Copy short, I have a short copy, my lord, state council. CD was not there for which it was.
अच्छा
ଦେଇଥିଲି ସେ ତଳେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ତଳକୁ ଦେଖୁନ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ ଥିଲେ ଦାସ ଭାଇ ନଥିଲେ ସେଇଠି ଦେଖୁନ 5 ଜଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି
केस डायरी पाई ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
next week, ma'am.
next week
Fine.
all right the land council for the state seeks for an adjournment till next week to obtain the case diary, so also instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. So, period the status report of allegation submitted by the land and trial court. It's a case under section 302.
Yes, ma'am.
And if 5 witnesses have been examined, have you supplied the deposition?
Yes, ma'am. I have the deposition.
And for the court, you have filed also.
Let's see,
the land and counsel for the petitioner submits that 5 witnesses have been examined in the trial court and he has filed the deposition copies of the witnesses in court, which is taken on record. Copy of the deposition has also been served on the land counsel for the state in court today. Next week.
39.
13/9/2024 ପାସଓଭର କଣ ଅଛି ସବୁଗୁଡା ଦିଟା ହୁଏ 49 ଥାଉ after lunch.
Pass over item number 30.
May please, madam. Here is a case, my lord, where the present petitioner is in custody from 12/1/2017, my lord. 7 years, 8 months. And out of 45 charge sheet witness, my lord, till date 27 has been examined. And so far the case is concerned, 302 is the allegation.
So what is the date of custody?
My lord, he is in custody from 12/1/2017, 12/1/2017.
What are the offenses under which charge sheet submitted?
My lord, 294, my lord, 452, 354, 302, 506, 109 plus 34 of IPC, related with section 12 of POSCO Act, my lord.
You earlier approached this court.
My lord, on 2 occasions, and 2 occasions, my lord has kind enough to grant me interim bail. And
Well, the last time he was granted.
my lord, I'm just applying the copy. It was BLAPL number 7107 of 2021. And for my lord has kind enough to grant half. This is the copy, my lord.
7107.
This is the copy.
3 months.
Yes, my lord has granted 3 months. And soon after the completion period, I have surrendered in time.
So that is one time. Any other?
IPL 5102 of 20.
That is also for 3 months.
3 months, my lord.
Yeah, that is for 4 months.
Sure. 4 months, right.
Sorry.
So now, what is the total number of charge sheet witnesses?
45, my lord, 45. And my lord has called for a report.
Witnesses examined?
27.
So till now, what evidence has come?
Evidence has come to this section, my lord. It's a case where there was because soon before the occurrence, a hitch occurred between the present petitioner and along with another.
That's a dying declaration.
Yes, 3 dying declarations there. Half dying declaration, my name is not there. Half dying declaration solely against the co-accused, who is a JCL, that he is the person.
No. You said first dying declaration was made before whom?
Made before the doctor. Doctor.
He has been examined.
The doctor.
Yes.
As PW?
The doctor could read.
Let them supply the deposition.
He has not. You have not received.
Copy has been called for by my lord and it has been supplied to him.
Yeah, that doctor has not been examined.
So, in that dying declaration, what has been stated by the deceased?
The deceased has said, he has said, made all allegations because the case is like this. Before the occurrence, my lord, a hitch occurred between the present petitioner, JCL, one the co-accused JCL, and the girl, the victim or the deceased, my lord. And there some comment was there. Thereafter, it is alleged that the victim has reported to these things to her parents. For which the parents went to the house of the present petitioner and also the house of the co-accused and there each occurred, a quarrel arose wherein it is alleged that you have to face the consequence. And by this particular process, there are sometimes there are authorities, the first and declaration has been made that the JCL, the co-accused, he went to the house of the deceased, poured kerosene and set fire. That is the first dying declaration.
Just a minute.
May I read that?
See, dying declaration portion ଟା
ଆମ ପଡାର 2 ଜଣ ପିଲା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ dying declaration portion ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ପୋଡି ଦେଲା ସେଇଟା ସେଇ
ମୁଁ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଏକା ଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା ଆସି ମୋ ପାଟିକୁ ଚୁଟି ଦେଇ ଚୁଟି ଦେଇ ମୋ ଉପରେ କିରୋସିନ ଢାଳି ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେଲା। ମୁଁ ତାର ହାତକୁ ଧରି ପକାଇଥିଲି। ସେ ଘୋଷାଡି ହୋଇ ଗଲା ବେଳେ ତାର ମୁହଁ ମତେ ଦେଖାଗଲା। ସେ ପିଲାର ନାଁ ସାନ ସାହୁ।
କଣଟା କି ସାହୁ?
ସାନ ସାହୁ।
No, SANA.
Yeah.
Acha, this is the first dying declaration recorded by the doctor.
Doctor.
Which doctor is in?
Dr. Devananda Bhoi, surgery specialist.
This was recorded when?
That is on 11/1/2017.
Okay, now he says there are 2 other dying declarations. Is it a written one or oral?
Oral, written मिले।
कहाँ पाखरे?
Oral magistrate. That is executive magistrate come video।
अच्छा।
Oral टा written।
केबे सीटा हला?
सेटा हला 12/1/17।
ओता नेक्स्ट डे रे।
Yes।
सेही पोर्शन को पळे आसन कोन कहू?
गला
for oral the declaration has been made into right.
ମୁଁ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଥିଲି। ବୁଲୁ ଓ ସାନ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରେ ପଶି ମୋର ମୁହଁ ଚୁଣ୍ଟି ଦେଲେ ଓ ମୋ ଉପରେ କିରୋସିନ ଢାଳି ମାଚିସ୍ ମାରିଦେଲେ।
Bulu is the petitioner. Sano is the other person.
Both implicated. Achha, what about the third one? He said.
Yes, my lord. That is ready. मुई घरे एका थिली।
की से oral ना written?
Written my lord.
नहीं written किए लिखी थी फिर?
Additional तहसीलदार, executive magistrate, बीरमित्रपुर।
अच्छा, से केबे पुणी से था?
That is on 15/1/17।
अच्छा, सेही पोर्शन को पळे आसंतु।
मुई घरे एका थिली। सान साहू ओ बुलू दास हठात गोटे बोतल किरोसिन आनिकी मो ऊपर छाटी देई माचिस मारी देले आउ मुई जली गली। माचिस मारिबा आगुरु मोर मुहके समाने चुट्टी देइथिले।
Okay, so Mr. Chand, your contention is that the first DD excludes your name.
And not only my humble submission is that, my lord, at the first instance, her condition, everything, my lord, physical condition, mental condition was stable, and she was quite capable to do about, because a case of burning. In the subsequent stage, my lord, because of the interference of the family member, it has been developed.
That is to be decided by the trial court, not on that. Apart from this dying declaration, anybody has seen them entering into the house or coming together, these accused persons?
Yes.
Who is that? Either coming near the or leaving the house of the.
That is 164 statement of one Balabanta Rana.
ସେଇ ପୋର୍ସନ ଟାକୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଠି ସେ କହିଥିବ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ସେ 2 ଜଣକୁ ବା କଣ ସେ କହିଛି।
Yes, ମୁଁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ନିଆଁ ପୁଉଥିଲି ଓ ଦେଖିଲି ଯେ ବୁଲୁ ଓ ସାନ ତପସ୍ୱିନୀକୁ ଜାଳିଦେଲେ। ମୁଁ ତପସ୍ୱିନୀକୁ
ଜାଣିଦେଲେ ମାନେ ଏ ତ ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା।
item 34.
Tara Singh PS.
नमस्ते सर
IIC Tara Singh Police Station.
Yes,
नाटा कौन दियंत
विजय कुमार स्वाइन
Vijay Kumar Swain.
এই যে বেল দরখাস্তটি দাখল করেছি নারায়ণ নায়ক যেহেতু সেটা গোটে অফেন্স ତା ଦେହରେ SC ST ଅଛି ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଜେନେରାଲ ତର ଅଫିସରୁ ପଠା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ନୋଟିସ ସର୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ କୁ କଣ ହେଲା ସେ
सर मु सर पाई पार नथली एबे सर जानली से विषय सर मु ए 7 दिन ଭିତରେ कर देबी सर
ଆପଣ କେବେଠୁ IIC ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି
27
ହଁ
ଦୁଇ 2024 सर
ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
27/2/2024
27/2/2024 ରୁ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି এই କେସରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା 5/7/2024 ରେ ତେଣୁ ତାପରେ ହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଜେନେରାଲଙ୍କ ଅଫିସରୁ ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଥିବ କେବେ ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ
सर आज सर को पाइली सर मैं व्हाट्सएप पाइली सर
ଆଜି ପାଇଲେ
ଆଜି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ WhatsApp ରେ ପଠେଇଲି ପାଇଲିନି ଆଉ 3ଟା ଯାଇଛି ଆଗରୁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କାଉନସିଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 3 ଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ନୋଟିସ 3 ଥର ଯାଇଛି ଏବଂ ୱାୟରଲେସ ରେ ଯାଉଛି ନା
ମେଲ ରେ ଆଉ
mail. So if you are telling lie then will face prosecution for contempt of courts act you are telling falsehood in court the government council is telling that 3 intimations has been sent to you and you are the IIC you are telling that for the first time today you are receiving so I will make an inquiry district judge will make an inquiry and if it is found that you have received the this notice earlier then you will be placed under orders of suspension and a departmental and you will be also face the consequence of contempt of courts act
मते 7 दिन टाइम दूसन कर देब सर
केते वर्ष रानी चाकरी करजंदी
12 इयर्स सर
हां
12 इयर्स सर 12 वर्ष
IIC एटा प्रथम पोस्टिंग ना आगु IIC थिले कोडी
थिली सर आपको सर
so how you are becoming so irresponsible and making false statement in court your officer is there government officer they are government official the advocates they are telling that 3 times notice has been sent to you and you are telling that for the first time today you are getting the notice केबे डेट कोंतु आपण
गोटे जाईची 5/8/2024
yes
then second is 27/8/2024
yeah
third is 2/9/2024
सर मते क्षमा करूं सर मते शॉर्ट पीरियड दियन सर मु पठे देब सर
no you are so confident you are telling how you have got audacity to tell for falsehood in court you do not know that this proceeding is live streamed everybody is watching it who is your SP what is the name of the superintendent of police you serve the notice by tomorrow
sir
immediately report to Mr. Tripathi tomorrow
sir.
itself
sir
he has sent the case diary
no
why have you not sent also the case diary
सर सब पठे देब सर काली सर
when the matter was taken up in the first hour, the Learned Counsel for the state submitted that he is yet to get confirmation letter regarding the service of notice on the informant. This case was taken up for the first time on 5/7/2024, when there was a direction of this court to the Learned Counsel for the appellant to serve an extra copy of the interim application for its service on the informant, as there was delay in filing this CRLA for bail. And it was specifically ordered that the appeal memo along with the interim application be sent to the inspector in charge of Tarsing Police Station for its service on the respondent number 2 oblique opposite party number 2 in connection with Tarsing PS case number 400 of 2022. The petitioner, the informant, was also afforded opportunity as per the said order to approve the application for bail, and it was further directed that a written proof regarding service of notice to be obtained from the informant. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner appellant served the extra copy of the interim application, so also the appeal memo on the Learned Counsel for the state. The matter was then taken off on 2/8/2024 and then again on 30/8/2024, and it was adjourned as no confirmation letter has been received from the informant regarding service of notice. This court asks the Learned Counsel for the state to ensure the attendance of the IIC of Tarsing Police Station through virtual mode at 2 o'clock to ascertain whether he has received the notice or not, and if notice has been served on the informant, respondent number 2 or not. Mr. Vijay Kumar Swain, is Vijay Kumar Swain, the IIC of Tarsing Police Station, appeared through virtual mode, and when a query is made by this court as to why the order of this court has not been carried out, is submitted that for the first time today has received intimation from the Learned State Council to serve the notice on the informant. The Learned Council for the state has produced 3 written instructions given to IIC of Tarsing Police Station, that is dated 5/8/2024, 27/8/2024, and 2/9/2024 in that respect. Therefore, it prima facie appears that the IIC is telling falsehood before this court. Let the Superintendent of Police which district it is? Ganjam district. Inquire into the matter as to when the notice has been sent, when the notice was received by the IIC of Tarsing Police Station, and why he has not implemented the order of this court. The report should be furnished by next date, which is fixed to 13th of September 2024. The IIC Tarsing Police Station shall serve the notice on the respondent number 2 by tomorrow, and report compliance to the Lenin State Council. It is also found that in spite of the specific order passed on the first date itself, the case diary and other documents have not been sent to the Lenin Council for the state. The IIC submits that the same would be sent to the Lenin Council for the state by 10th of September 2024. Matter be listed on 13th September 2024. The Superintendent of Police shall appear through virtual mode and report be sent to this court in advance through the Lenin Council for the state. The IIC Tarsing Police Station shall also appear on that day. Free copy of the order be handed over to the Lenin Council for the state during course of the day for compliance.
Pardon to mention, my lord, 37 item also Tarsing PS, my lord. The co-accused, my lord.
Item 37 also same.
This matter would come along with item number 37. Yes.
Item 35.
Yes, my lord. That is the service of notice.
Yes.
That is there. It was served on 3/9/24.
The Lenin Council for the state submits that notice on the informant bracket respondent number 2 was served on 3/9/2024 in order to get sufficient time, give sufficient time to the respondent number 2 to engage her counsel to oppose the prayer for bail. The matter be listed on 13th of September 2024.
Item 38.
IIC Kuakhia, my lord, virtual mode.
Sam namaskar, sir.
IIC Kuakhia, uploading virtual mode.
Sam namaskar.
What is his name?
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Sir, myself Anuruddha Naik, Inspector in Charge, Kuakhia Police Station, sir.
What happened to the service of notice on the informant?
सर नोटिस हमको 22 तारिख हाईकोर्ट सेलु मिलला सर आउ आड्रेसटा जेहेतु जसीपुर थिला मयूरभंज रो हमर स्टाफ जाइथिले से नथिले सर पुनी तांको कांटेक्ट नंबर आनी ना हमें तांको सर्व कलु सर 30 तारिख दिन नोटिस पाइलु सर आ सर इन द मीन टाइम सर मु लीव रे थिली सर मोर गोटे मेजर ऑपरेशन थिला सर मु 3 तारिख दिन जॉइन कली सर सर आउ 3 दिन टाइम देले मंडे दिन सर केस डायरी आउ सीए पठै दिउ सर
केस डायरी पठिना
नहीं सर
आपण लीव रे थिले थाना कार्य सब बंद रहिबो
सर से लेडीज
काम होबनी
सर से लेडी सब इंस्पेक्टर टा थिला चार्ज सर से आप जानी पानी सर से मंडे पठै थांते सर
Mr. Aniruddha Nayak, IIC of Kuakia Police Station, appeared through virtual mode and submits that notice has been made sufficient on 30/8/2024 on the respondent number 2, Ramakant Nayak, and since he was on leave and recently joined, he will take steps for sending the confirmation letter regarding service of notice on the respondent number 2. So also the case diary and instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against the appellant by 10th of September 2024 to the AG office stop. Place this matter on 13th of September 2024. Personal appearance of IAC is dispensed with.
Item 38.
Sam, namaskar.
Okay, Raiboni IAC. Previously, was submitted that within 5 days he was comply the, in this case, order my lord, but till late he was not compliant. On 9/8/2024, he submitted one report before you, honor my lord.
So, what is the name of the?
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ବାରିଣୀ ଦାସ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ବାରିଣୀ ଦାସ।
ବାରିଣୀ ଦାସ।
He is the IAC of Raigonia.
Raigonia.
You आवेदनकारी मिथुन हांसदा तरफरु गोटे अंतरीण जामिन रे जीवा पई तांकर मांकर स्वास्थ्य अवस्था नहीं गोटे दरखास्त जो हिची सेथिरे किछि मेडिकल दस्तावेज दाखल होइतिला एवं ता उपरे आपन को इंस्ट्रक्शन नबाकू कुहाइतिला तो आपण गोटे चिट्ठी लेखि जणैथिले एजी ऑफिस को मते 5 दिन समय दिया जाऊ मु वेरिफिकेशन करी से मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स रो पठेई बेली तो 5 दिन अतिक्रम करी गलानी आपनकर किछि रेस्पॉन्स नाही सेथि पई आपनकर पर्सनल अपीयरेंस थ्रू वर्चुअल मोड करा गला कोन आपन देखिले ते मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट
सर मोर एरा गोटे वर्ष भूल हे मैं जो 5 दिन टाइम मागितली सेते म जानि पाइले मन भाबिले टिके आउ किछ ऑर्डर आसियो कि मु वेरीफाई करतिली सेते ता मा सेते ट्रीटमेंट हेइछ
आपन को सेदिन निजे चिट्ठी लेखि किनी जणैथिले
हां सर
5 दिन समय दिया जाऊ मु ता भितरे मेडिकल डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई करी पठेइबी सर केमती गले आपण किछि हाई कोर्ट रो जोडा को एजी ऑफिस रो जोडा को इंस्ट्रक्शन जाउथिबो ताकू तो गोटे फाइल मेंटेन करूथिबे एवं आपण को समय नहीं जंदी तारी भितरे आपण को दबा को पड़िबो आपण एंती भूली जाउ जंदी केमती
सर एटी सर रायबणा थाना टिके जो थाना रे दिमन के तार सपोर्टिंग ना दे जो राइटर फैक्टर टिके एकुटिया सब ये करछि आ मु से सर प्रकृत भूली जाई छी मु ऑनर कोर्ट को क्षमा मांगि होछि हम सर इनक्वायरी भी करते छी ता मा भी ट्रीटमेंट
आपण थाना रे आपण एकुटिया आउ के नाथी कांस्टेबल गरिया के नाथी
ना सर कौशल अछन जे जो राइटर माने काम करिया पई के हेल्प सेमते नाही मते सब कोर्ट फोटो एडा मैटर मते निजे देखिया पड़े सर अब सर क्षमा मांगि होछि मु कर देई छी दे देबी सर
केबे देबे
काली के आज लेखि सर पठी दे सर
All right. Mr. Barini Das, Inspector in charge of Raigonia Police Station, appeared through virtual mode and submits that you will submit the report regarding the outcome of the verification of the medical documents relating to the ailment of the mother of the petitioner. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ सोमवार पर्यंत समय दियागला दियंतु by Monday.
Sir.
Put up this matter on 13th of September 2024. Yeah, personal appearance is dispensed with.
Sir, no.
Item 49.
Next.
49 my lord Arjun.
Nobody is there, so it is. Now all those I have mentioned matter. I will list region.
Item 51.
ठीक ଅଛି ଆପଣ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋର କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
The petitioner is in custody.
Please use the mic properly.
Petitioner is in custody since 9/4/2019 for the commission of offense.
Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes,
you are supposed to get instruction whether he has misutilized the liberty or not.
that is it.
Where is that order when you are granted interim bail for 3 months?
No.
Have you got a copy of that order? That is BLAPL number 2122 of 23. Order dated 8/12/2023. Are you having a copy? Copy take out.
That was running page.
अच्छी ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି annex କରିଛନ୍ତି
annex sir.
अच्छा केत number
2 running page 42.
No, 42 is that order of course that has been अच्छा noted down. ठीक है दरकार नहीं हो. All right. So that is only for the first time you are granted interim bail. So you are taken into custody when?
Custody is 4/9/2019. 9/4/2019.
9/4 or 4/9?
Sorry, madam. 9/4.
9/4/2019. Heard the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state. Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 9/4/2019 and he was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. In BLAPL number 2122 of 2023 as per order dated 8/12/2023. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. And but how many witnesses have been examined?
11 witnesses have been examined out of 19 witnesses.
And in the trial court, out of 19 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined. As per order dated 23/8/2024, the Land Council for the state was asked to obtain instruction as to whether there is an allegation of misutilization liberty by the petitioner during the period of interim bail. Today, the Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Pipli Police Station that nothing adverse has been reported against the petitioner during the period of interim bail, the written instruction is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, progress of the trial so far, and the conduct of the petitioner during the period of interim bail, 3 months bail granted. Yes. Okay.
Item 53.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. And we have a glance to order dated 9/8/2024.
Status report मंगाइला देखिए.
Status report is that flag G, I suppose. The last date, the State Council was also instructed to take direction whether any violation have been interim bail period.
पच्चीसटार चार्टा है All right. Heard the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state.
Submitting a judgment of the apex court.
The land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on
28/11/2019.
28/11/2019. आपण गोटे थर जाइछन interim bail and the petitioner was granted interim bail twice and he surrendered at right time. The land counsel for the state was asked to obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty by the petitioner while on interim bail for 2 times. Today, the land counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Boriguda police station that petitioner has not misutilized his liberty and surrender at right time, and his conduct during the interim bail is good. The written instruction is taken on record. He has also produced instruction that the petitioner is not involved in any other case. The same is also taken on record. The status report submitted by the Land and Trial Court indicates that out of 25 charge sheet witnesses, 4 witnesses have been examined. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the slow progress of the trial, the conduct of the petitioner in complying with the earlier interim bail order, and keeping in view the ratio laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Muhammad Muslim, bail is allowed.
Highly obliged.
Item 54.
My lord, the case under section 147, 148, 342, 302, 201, 149 of IPC. The petitioner is in custody since 14/4/24. And my lord, meanwhile, 8 witnesses are examined out of 24 charge sheet witnesses, including the eyewitnesses. The eyewitnesses did not support the case of the prosecution. They have been declared hostile.
Who are the eyewitnesses?
Sujata Naik,
1 and 4. Heard Mr. Om Prakash Saran, Learned Counsel, appearing through the virtual High Court in Ghana. He submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since কেবে রয়েছেনদি
স্যার 14/4/24
এই 14/4/2024 and this is your first bail application
ফার্স্ট পেলার সঙ্গে নাইলো
and in the meantime in the trial court out of 24 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined, including the eyewitnesses as PW1 and PW4.
Sujata Naik and Brahmananda.
And they have not supported the prosecution case. He has annexed the deposition copy of the witnesses. Peer with the status report submitted by the Land Trial Court. Land Counsel for the state has not disputed that the eyewitnesses have not supported the prosecution case. Considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, since in the trial court the eyewitnesses have not supported the prosecution case, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 56.
My lord, on last occasion, Lord sir directed to obtain the report from the police station, my lord, whether the accused misutilized the liberty granted by this court. Also, the status report, my lord, from the
Portaru Satta Hichandi. Last time जो bail ले जाइए थे BLAPL number
BLPL number 674 of 2022, my lord. 674 of 2022.
तीन मास में जाइए थे
आगे.
Or the Land Counsel for the petition, Land Counsel for the state submits that petitioner was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months as per order dated 5/4/2024 in BLAPL number 674 of 2022. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. The Land Counsel for the state has also produced the report of the IAC Orkel police station that during the interim period, no criminal case has been reported against the petitioner. The written instruction is taken on record. The status report submitted by the Land Trial Court indicates that out of 16 charge sheet witnesses, 7 witnesses have been examined. Considering the submission, the period of detention, the slow progress of the trial, the conduct of the petitioner during the period of interim bail, 3 months bail granted, disposed of. Yes, next.
May I submit something? At the time of arrest, 2 persons were arrested. Another person, my lord, who is a major, my lord, at the time of arrest, later on granted by bail by presenting himself as minor, my lord. Kindly see the bail application.
Next case, yes.
May I please?
Item 57.
May I please? Pursuant to order date 38/24.
Minister Chatta. So your bail application number is that is 13323 of 2023.
Minor. The copy.
Or the Learned Counsel for the petition, Learned Counsel for the state submits that last time when the petitioner approached this court for bail, that is in BLAPL number 13323 of 2023, as per order dated 14/3/2024. He was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months, and after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. Status report submitted by the Learned Trial Court indicates that out of 19 charge sheet witnesses, 4 witnesses have been examined. State Council has also produced the report from the Deputy Superintendent of Police STF CID CB Bhubaneswar bracket HIO that the petitioner has not flouted or misutilized the liberty granted to him. Reports are taken on record. 3 months bail granted. Disposed of. Yes, next.
Item 58.
May I please remember? Last time status report and the CDCA and postal certificate was called for by order dated 9/8/24.
ବାରଟାରୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇନି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ସାକ୍ଷୀ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି
24/22 କଷ୍ଟଡି 20B to C
ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ନା ନା ମୋଟେ ଯାଇନି ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକ
କଷ୍ଟଡି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପାଇଲେ or the Land Council for the petition. କେତେ ହଉଛି 2 ବର୍ଷ? The Land Council for the state has produced the custody certificate as per the order dated so and so, which indicate that the petitioner is in judicial custody for 2 years and 3 months. The status report furnished by the Land Council, Land Trial Court indicates that not a single witness has been examined so far. Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a local man. And is there any criminal antecedent? And it may be granted interim bail for some time. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail mainly on the ground that commercial quantity of ganja has been seized, and in view of the bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioners, commercial quantity of ganja seized, bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, but taking into account the period of detention in judicial custody, since trial has not yet commenced, since the examination of witnesses has not commenced, and I'm inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Next.
Item 59.
May it please your lordship. In custody since 11/11/20, and last time your lordship had granted 3 months interim bail.
Putre.
Aya?
Number case.
Record.
Case number
3529 of 23.
ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ନା
ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଯାଇଛି ନା ମାସ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ 3 ମାସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 3ଟା ଯାକ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 3ଟା ଯାକ ଅର୍ଡର ଦଉଛି
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କଣ ଆସିଲା
and co-accused has already been granted. Several co-accused granted bail. Nothing was seized from this petitioner
due to surrender for this court.
In fact, ଦୁଇଥର surrender କଲା।
Yes, any CA
It's last paragraph. Last paragraph.
ରାଧିର ଚିକୁଟ ଆଉ instruction ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି। Verification of this one, so he has not violated and answer. Not involved in it. All right. Heard the land counsel for the petition, land counsel for
Court is already granted bail.
the land counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody 11/11/2020 and he was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 3529 of 2023 as per order dated 22/9/2023 and after availing the same is surrendered at right.
Extension
and thereafter it was extended for 1 month and after availing the interim bail of 4 months he surrendered at right time. He further submits that some of the co-accused persons have also been granted bail. The learned counsel for the state has produced written instruction received from IIC Mona police station that the petitioner has not flouted any terms and condition during the interim bail period and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, period of detention in judicial custody and keeping in view the release of the co-accused persons on bail and the conduct of the petitioner during the period of interim bail and release of the co-accused, I am trying to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes, next.
Item 61. May please. Herein the petitioner is in custody since 17/3/2017.
Status report magai class lagi. Perusal of this one so reveals. Oh, his case is posted for argument.
Yes, my lord. The trial is almost concluded.
The status report submitted so and so the case is posted for argument. Therefore, I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail at this stage disposed of. Yes, next.
Item 71.
71.
May I please? Accused custody, my lord. 13/10/2022, my lord. In 21B of the NDPS Act.
Yeah, just a minute. Yes, you have got the instruction.
19 criminal antecedents.
19th.
99.
19 criminal antecedents. The person has 19 criminal antecedents.
The learned counsel for the state submit that the petitioner has got 19 criminal antecedents. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction in respect of such criminal antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of the case. Matter will be listed on 25th October 2024. Yes.
And submitting a copy of this.
Give it. He files that you 19 in year of the. Yes.
Item 70, my lord.
Eta kit number hala? 71.
Item 70, my lord. Kindly take.
2024.
Item 70.
No, you should give in the first hour. Let's say it is going on. You have missed it. Then in the next week, give it advance.
Week.
Okay.
Next week.
Because they will bring the file. That is the reason why. Yes. Next.
Item 75.
May I please, Your Lordship? The petitioner is in custody since.
302 is there,
Asini. Next week.
1 week after.
The learned counsel for the state. Era kit number dakile? 75 on 20th of September 2024. Yes. CD Asini. CDO CA Asini. For the time Maguchandi State Council.
May I pray one thing, my lord?
Yes.
Status report may be called
Status
for
report मंगाई नहीं
item
थी
48 to
just a minute
14 witness have been only examined.
अच्छा status report मंगाई दें
Item 78.
78 Mr. Patnaik.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, on dated 26/24, status report was called for.
Assi status report which indicate that out of 18 charge sheet witness, 9 have been examined. What is the period of detention?
23/12/2020.
23/12/2020. Yes,
It is there may be the custody certificate related from next week.
20B2C.
Exact purchase.
Direct मिली ता पाखरु और स्पॉट रे धरा पड़ची स्पॉट रे धरा पड़ला ना परे
स्पॉट धरन परे धरे पड़ला
परे आर यू श्योर एफआईआर को पड़े असले एफआईआर कहीं देई नांती एफआईआर रो येटा कोडाला एफआईआर तो देई नांती अपन
60.
Taking advantage of the dark night, the exporter of the said ganja fled away to nearby jungle. In spite of the sincere efforts so and so, occupants of the said vehicle could not be traced. On verification is found, vehicle was a Mahindra Bolero pickup so and so. 41 plastic bags were loaded on the backside Dala. Then samples were taken. So, FIR is against unknown person. ये धरा पहिले केमती
से गाड़ीटार जो नंबरटा थिला सेटा in the name of the wife of the present petitioner.
अच्छा
There to see conflict both of them arrest. Select place from the order manual.
Order माने rejection order.
Rejection. Page 20. 41 numbers of plastic sack containing about 1125 kg of contraband ganja was recovered from the vehicle at the spot. During investigation, the IO obtained the ownership of the offending vehicle and apprehended her. She confessed that vehicle stood recorded in her name and her husband, present accused, and one Imran Khan of Jayanagar, Jaipur were transporting ganja in that vehicle for sale. Thereafter, the present accused along with his wife were arrested. And
what about the criminal antecedent?
I will accept it and that is not it.
Okay. Here is the status report submitted by the London Trial Court. The London Council for the state has received the case diary, but it seeks adjournment till next week.
No CA.
No CA.
I will give a copy.
All right. He submits that though Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 23/12/2020. The status report submitted by the London Trial Court indicates that out of 18 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. The Land Council submits that the case against the petitioner is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state submits that a Mahindra Bolero pickup van loaded with 41 numbers of plastic sacks containing contraband ganja was intercepted by the OIC of Mudulipada police station along with the PA staff while they were performing MB checking at Podaghat Chowk. But taking the advantage of the dark night, the exporter of the said ganja fled away to the nearby jungle. And from the and that is the reason why the FIR was lodged against unknown person. However, during course of investigation, it was ascertained that the vehicle stands in the name of the wife of the petitioner, and on query, it came to light that the vehicle was used by the petitioner and the co-accused Imran Khan of Jayanagar, Jaipur, for transporting ganja. Status report কথা লিখছিলে author not a witness. Considering the submission made by the land council for the respective parties in view of the available material on record, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit but taking into account his period of detention in judicial custody and slow progress of the trial, and since the petitioner is a local man having no criminal antecedent as stated by the land council for the state,
And I will provide a copy.
Copy of which has been provided, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. What is your good name?
Mongu Nandi.
Huh?
Mongu Nandi.
Give it in writing. Hard Mr. Mongu Nandi. Hello?
Item 79.
The petitioner is in custody since 10/5/2017, and though the petitioner was approached this Hon'Ble Court for 2 times, and the last he was released on interim bail for a period of 3 months. By BLAPL number 12,721 of 22.
कौन है लता interim bail रे तां conduct विषय next week और रख जानो तो case diary पाई जंदी. Yes. All right. The Land and Council for the state submits that though he has received the case diary, but he may be given time till next week to obtain instruction for ascertaining the conduct of the petitioner during the period of interim bail of 3 months, as was granted to him in BLAPL number 12721 of 2022 as per order dated 19/10/2020. Release this matter on 13th September 2024.
One thing, 34 out of 34, only 12 witnesses have been.
Status report मंगाई नहीं? No. अच्छा status report we also call for. All right.
Item 80.
May I please, madam? May I please, madam? The petition is in custody since 16/11/2020. Out of
asiwala ye case diary criminal antecedent asiwala. So debate ରହିଛନ୍ତି
my lord 16/11/2020 custody
16/11/2020.
my lord this is third joining out of 24 charge sheet witnesses. 11 witnesses have been examined.
Status report ଆସିଛି ନା ମୋବାଇଲ 3 ମାସ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
3 ମାସ ଯାଇଥିଲେ by page 20
ନା ଅଛି conduct
20/23
ସେଟା ଆସିନି ଅଲରେଡି conduct ମଗେଇଦେବେ ସେ ଆଣିବେ during period of interim bail ଆଉ ତାପରେ status report ମଗେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା 13 ତାରିଖ. Yes.
Next.
Item 89.
The petitioner is in custody since 10/5/2016 and convicted under P76(1) for period of 10 years punishment.
ଆଗରୁ ବେଲ୍ ମେରିଟ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
3 ଥର interim bail ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା.
କେବେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ?
18/10/23 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା, ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିଥିଲୁ 17/2/24 ରେ.
कौन कंडक्ट आसिला ता भितरे
मोबाइल
मगाइनी वो एटा फर्स्ट टाइम आईए देइछंदी अच्छा ऑलराइट आईए नंबर 1047 of 2024. This is an application for bail. It appears that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months in IA number 2220 of 2023 as per order dated 18/10/2023. Let the Land Council for the state obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail, so also the custody certificate. Put up this matter on 13/9/2024.
which jail?
Who jail କୁହନ୍ତୁ
coach. Circle jail कटक चौधरी.
Circle jail Chaudhwa. Yes, next.
Item 92.
Lordship, I am appealing for the informant. Copy was not sought.
My lord, may I please?
Copy ଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ interim bail application ର 91 IA number 92
My lord.
IA number 878 of 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
Interim bail co ground re
My lord, mother's illness, ma'am.
mother's illness and instruction
No, my lord, that he has annexed some document medical documents which are illegible. Which doctor, where he was treating, nothing is there.
My lord.
Which hospital he is treating? हॉस्पिटल कोटा किसी तो नहीं
नारायण हॉस्पिटल लिखा तले लिखा नियर कुसुम देवी वोमेन्स कॉलेज दरखापाटना कल्याण नगर कटक पेज 12 को देखु
पेज
12 को पळे आसंदे तो कटक केसटा नहीं जानतु इंस्ट्रक्शन आउ से रिपोर्ट करिया छाड़ंतु से जो डाक्टर रो जो हाथ लेखा ताकू पचारंतु आउ से
नारायण
आपण भी इंस्ट्रक्शन नियंतु मां को देह खराब पे चल जियो
at present से treatment होची साई bone and joint clinic Lakshmi Vihar Lane, that Saini School Square, Malan Bhubaneswar. I have already annexed this. Sai bone and joint clinic.
Recent medical document देइछन तो
एटा देइन
रिसेंट गोडा दियंतु से पुरानाटा देकी छ लाभ नै रिसेंट जो ट्रीटमेंट पेपर्स ताको दियंतु तार कॉपी मध्य आकु दियंतु इन्फॉर्मेंट काउंसिल को हला यस नेक्स्ट
Item 93.
The appellant has been in custody since 27/5/2018.
just a minute just
Offense under section 20B to
please wait CRLA 992/23 एटा कोन एससी एसटी मैटर
No.
अब बेल एप्लीकेशन कितने नंबर एटा 96
93.
93 अच्छा 93 ले आईए नंबर होची 2842/23
My lord.
हां कस्टडी केबे कहिसेंती
Custody since 27/5/2018. And your lordship allowed him for interim bail
केबे
on 3/7/23. And he surrendered on 11/10/2023.
अच्छा
My lord,
10 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏ
Yes. Yesterday, may I please, Your Lordship? Yesterday, I received information from his son that he was seriously ill, and jail authority has sent letter to take care of him and his scanning report also, my lord. This is the letter received
no,
by
when
his
you
son.
are released on bail at that time,
Yes.
the order reveals that the custody certificate was produced by the state council, which was dated 4/5/23, and that indicated that you are in custody for 4 years and 10 months. So thereafter you are released on bail 3 months.
Yes.
That means ଯଦି ଆଉ ବର୍ଷେ 3 ମାସ କଟିଗଲେ ବି you have completed more than 5 years in custody. All right. Heard the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, Land Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months as per order dated 3/7/2023 in IA number 2072 of 2022. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. And this is a criminal appeal of the year 2022, and there is no likelihood of the appeal being taken up for hearing at present, and paper book has not been prepared, and therefore the petitioner's bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Since the petitioner has already undergone half of the substantive sentence imposed by the trial court, and he has not flouted the terms and conditions of the interim bail order passed by this court, keeping in view the ratio laid down in the case of Muhammad Muslim, bail application is allowed.
Item 95.
May I please, Your Lordship? And,
94.
94, you should have to give that number in the first hour so that they will keep the file ready and they will also go through the same. So that is the arrangement made. So anybody wants to move any application after item number 50, that is to be in the first hour, they are to just give that number to the state council. So next time on the next Friday, you do it. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am. Application of custody since 17/5/2018 matter. I was granted bail matter interim
17/5/2018.
18 matter.
Okay.
Granted interim bail matter on dated 14/11/2023. And ever miscellaneous is
Just a minute, just a minute. थ्री मंथ्स आपण जाइथिले सरेंडर ठीक समय करले कौन कंडक्ट आसिला ता भितरे मिस्टर त्रिपाठी
यस मिलर
आनिचंदी कौन कंडक्ट थिला ता भितर
नाइट सीधा आसी
नै आसंतु सेटा कमिंग वीक रे नवा को थाना
and
Bisoi. All right. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that he was the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months as per order dated
14/11/2023
in IA number so and so. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. The Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty. Put up this matter on 13th September. Yes.
Hon'Ble.
Eta कितना number गला? 90.
Item 97.
May I please, Your well, in the second round bail application, for appellant may not convicted under section 376(2)(n and 376(2).
Bail application was rejected on
27/3/2024. My lord. The petitioner was arrested on 8/5/19 manner. Since 8/5/19 he was
sentence की
20 years, my lord.
So custody certificate produce करो.
My lord, may I submit, may I permitted to submit one thing, my lord?
Yes.
The exhibit 4 is the 164 statement of the victim, my lord.
On merit, it has already been rejected, so no question.
No, my lord, that part has not been considered, my lord.
Go to the Supreme Court, challenge my order. The IN number so and so. This is an application for bail. Let the learned counsel for the state produce the custody certificate. Yes. Next.
Let it come, Barampur jail, my lord.
Next.
Let it come 100 next week, my lord.
A week after. Yes. Next.
Item 100.
May plus. This is the SCST bill, my lord. Notice was issued.
Yes. Notice sufficient. 3/4/24.
Yes, my lord. 4/4/24.
अच्छा केस डायरी पाई जाइछन तो.
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
So what is the date of custody?
18/6/2023, my lord.
18/6/2023.
And here
Charge sheet submitted under section
that 498A,
yes
302,
yeah
201 by 34 of the IPC, read with section 32B of the SC and STPA.
आगु रिजेक्ट ହେଇଥିଲା.
Your lordship granted bail to the the family members of the
Who is this petitioner?
petitioner, the husband.
So what are the allegation against you?
Yes, my lord, in the year 2014, the petitioner married to a ST girl, and after their marriage, neither the family members of the petitioner nor the family members of the wife, they, my lord, kept any relationship with the petitioner, with their family. My lord, after my lord, 14 years of the marriage, she died in the date of
2014 ପୁରା ବାହାଘର ହେଲା.
2014, yes, my lord.
14 ବର୍ଷ.
Sorry, 2014, 9 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ. And the date of occurrence was 16/6/2023. In the morning, she died. And after that, this is the some of the prosecution witnesses have stated. After her death, I intimated to the family members, also to the my lord. I called for a meeting of the village meeting. In the village meeting, no one, my lord, cooperated for the cremation of the body. In the night, we, my lord, cremated the body. After 2 days, the affair was lodged by the father, alleging of my lord that I have killed my wife.
No, you destroyed it so that
No,
the cause of death could not be ascertained.
I am reading the statement of one Dondor Saman.
And see Dongor Saw tam ବାପା ଘରିଆ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ ଖବର ଦେଲା ମୁଁ ଯାଇନି ଆମେ ଯାଇ କଲୁନି.
ଗାଁ ବାଲାଙ୍କ
କୌଣସି ବାପା ମା ଶୁଣିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ ମରିଯାଇଛି ସେ ଯିବେନି ଆପଣ ନେଇକିନି ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅକୁ ପୋଡ଼ି ଦେବେ.
ପୋଡ଼ି ଦେଇକି ଭସେଇ ଦେବେ କେନାଲ.
ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାଣି ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଭାଗି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାଣି.
ନାଇଁ କିଛି
ହଉ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହଉ ତାପରେ ଆସିବେ.
statement
expedite trial କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା. And material witnesses to be examined first, then the petitioner is at liberty to renew the prayer. Yes, next.
Item 101.
101, your lordship. Petitioner is the husband of the deceased, and after allegation is that after commission of the crime, the dead body was cremated without intimating the family members. Hello? In view of the available material on record, since the trial is yet to be commenced, I am not inclined so on. The trial court is directed to expedite the trial and material witnesses be first examined. The petitioner is at liberty to renew the prayer after examination of the material witnesses. Yes, next.
May I please also lordship, this is the phase
Item number
101, your lordship. Phase SCST appeal bail, Miller notice is to.
Oh, it fresh bail. अच्छा इश्यू नोट आपण दियंतु एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी दियंतु. गोटे सप्ताह पर माने एटा 20 तारिख आसीयो. 20/9/2024 CDCA ओडा कई करबे. Yes.
Item 116.
115 6 अच्छा. Nobody is there. Mention की करथिले काई डाकिले आपण लेखाई ଆଉ କିଛି ଅଛି
My lord, 71, 78 I have given.